stop was 6. Yeah, it's a stupid trade. I just woke up. My own fault. If I lose this, it's my fault.
I like
It's
the
gonna go on
accountability.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go on the journal as a dummy. Dummy trade.
Dummy trade.
Dummy of the week.
Because I do have this 4-hour zone. I see, it should touch that for sure. But gonna struggle, like El said.
Yep. It's a minor level. I think it will break, but it needs volume.
Yeah. That 15-minute level, yeah, but I think that 4-hour level is gonna give us a fat wick, retest back up to 141.795, and then probably continue down because Governor Carney speaks today, I think. Was it today or next week? And if he speaks, all he got to say is bad news, so it's about to crash the pound. So he ain't got nothing good to say.
London Open.
Yeah, I need that London Open volume fast. The race against time. Ooh, pound got bad numbers. Ooh. Nice speaks next week. Carney.
Yep. Nothing. They gave it to me. Yeah, the owner came onto the stream, and I thought it was a troll. I even made fun of him. I didn't know. I thought he was trolling because he was like, "Oh wow, look, you have my website on your screen." Now I was like, "Trading view." Then I got confused. So I was trolling. Yeah, back. Angela, the thing about gold, right, is I'm also noticing that price has been making lower highs all the way, even on the hour, so I'm not sure if this has the gas now to go up, to reverse. Maybe not now, I think. Wow. Alexi, look at that guy on YouTube, man. Seriously, is he freaking blind? Oh my god, are they all blind? Wait, what time is it in the UK? It's not 8, right? My god. People are getting on my nerves. Okay. Look at this. I'm gonna... Oh my god. People. It's time to throw. I'm in a mood to throw today.
I want investor banker. It's like go long.
They're talking about giving us another lockdown
What
here
the
in
fuck?
Belgium. Yeah, they're idiots, man.
So no more hookers here.
No, not even for them nasty folks. Nope.
Getting another lockdown where
Damn. So at this point, what's going on with GJ, man?
He's holding that level.
That 30-minute resistance level, huh?
Yeah.
Just dipped in there, got some stop losses. Dirty.
Yeah. It's a reaction.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go. I think it's about to form resistance on the 5 and keep going down. I hope. It shouldn't break this area on 5.
Let's count the number of freakouts. We had 3 today.
There's been 3 fake outs already?
No, freakouts in the stream. It's fun.
I thought you said fake outs. Like what? GJ already?
3 blind mice have freaked out already.
Why, what did I do?
I don't know, man. 3 blind mice. Oh, 4. There we go, 4. Come on, let's count.
What is it? What are blind mice? How?
Nah,
Put
there's
me
people
on.
on the YouTube, yeah.
Why do you put me on timeout? Who put me on timeout?
We're setting the example, bro. It's the example. Come, who wants to? How many?
I'll be back.
By 4 a.m. GMT. No, by what's that? 8 a.m. GMT. I say this number hits 6. Come on, it's just 2 more. Who wants to beat me?
I don't get it. What's the 4 blind mice?
See? Look at my screen. This is what's showing on YouTube now. Because there is a reason.
Yeah, why am I put on timeout?
So
Actually, said free matinees.
I see that.
Hashtag free matinees.
Are they asking for the live to begin? Is that what's going on?
No, they are complaining that they cannot see the screen.
Man, it starts in 8 minutes, bro. Come
Yeah.
on, man, just wait.
Yeah, just chill, man. I'm not gonna call a magical trade idea. Chill, guys.
It's the age of immediate reward.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
let me teach you some patience then. Just chill. I might be doing something on the other side, right? Chill. What if I'm changing? That's not right. I'm changing with you guys on the side.
Some people are mean in these comments, bro. Someone said, lol, organic growth of idiot followers. I'm
Yeah.
dead. Yo.
There's a reason why he has the spanner.
Hmm?
Yeah. Kevin, you're gonna get your TP.
Yeah.
See, I told you just had to wait.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
look.
always right, bro.
Guys, it's 5. It's 5 now. It's 5. I'm gonna hit my target.
You get a prize at 10.
Yeah, pat on
How
my
much is
shoulder.
Andreas to the gulag?
How do I get
Oh,
the
it's
setting thing?
oh, it's 6. I hit my TP already. Andres, come on, man.
Oh no. What does the setting symbol mean? Or the tool symbol?
Guess I can beat the shit out of people in the YouTube chat.
What was that?
What
I can
settings?
beat up people in the YouTube chat. He's talking about the spanner.
Is a god. You have superpowers if you have it.
Like what?
Try type something in the chat. Say hi, I am Kevin. See what happens.
I don't have superpowers though.
Oh,
Someone's gonna get timed out.
damn, afraid to beat me
Okay,
too.
I said hi, I'm Kevin.
Okay, watch this. Go, Alexi. Shoot.
Nothing personal, kid.
Are you gonna block me, bro? Bro.
It's alright, just a 5 minutes. You wanted to see what it does.
No, I didn't. Man, I can't.
Can you imagine if I put this on the screen?
Bro, are you serious?
If I put it like that on the screen. Oh, the
Oh my
freakouts
God.
will be insane.
Hey, can I
Oh
get
my god, you did my
superpower
trick, what the
thing?
fuck?
Oh, we took a trade. You didn't tell us. Fuck you. Dislike.
Oh no. Can I get the
Just say like,
superpower?
guys, it was obvious. As soon as he broke the lower wick, just go in and blindfolded them.
Can I get the superpower for 5 minutes?
Ashley is damn funny. I want to give Ashley the spanner next. Then sooner or later my stream will be full of spanners.
Someone is sewing shit in the background.
Yeah, is it very loud? It's my neighbor. I closed the window already.
Nah, it's not that loud.
Let's see how many dislikes I got for doing that. Wait, you're on the thing, right? How many?
None.
Ooh,
Oh, you got one now.
so you.
Nah, it's not me.
Hey, it's me because you got blocked. I got blocked.
Oh, we didn't
Give me
block you,
like
by
that.
the
Give me
way.
like, you know. I give you like.
We didn't block you. We merely just timed you out.
That's a block.
If we block you, you will never be able to talk.
That's a 5-minute block. There's 5-minute block. You
It's
can
called a
block and then
timeout.
unblock.
Wanna see a
Instagram,
block?
so-
Come on, talk again.
I'm not a YouTuber. I'm on Instagram. I only know block. I don't know what it is.
Wow. Vin, you caught this really late.
Hey, that's the same as my chain. Good job, dude.
Yeah, Vin. This is Vin from the YouTube. Yeah, it's really messy on the left, but it should hit the 4-hour support at 600.
Got the same entry as me.
Am I looking to short GA? Honestly, Angela, I'm not. I don't trust this. I think it's going up. But I'm not taking any action yet. Because this is a 4-hour area, so I'm going to wait. If I miss it, I miss it. Doesn't matter. I'm break even for this week. I don't want to make it red. Is it good to take trades on Friday? It's just another day. But if you think it's Friday the 13th, then don't take a trade. But it's Friday the 15th, so you can take a trade. Chill, it's just another day, man. Just don't go ham on Fridays. If you've
Once
taken a
every
loss...
5 years, my birthday's on the Friday, the 13th.
Your birthday's Friday the 13th?
Nah,
Once
like
every
once
5
every
years?
7 years. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just, if
July
you take a
13th.
loss already, then just don't go and keep going at it on a Friday. Just walk away.
I'm debating whether to just wait for New York.
Yeah. If you have one bullet, use your bullet wisely.
I'm gonna use it on my head.
Save one bullet for yourself.
If you take a stupid trade, use the bullet. Elsewhere. Let's see.
I don't feel like buying into this market.
Price is really struggling to get
No
down
bother.
there, isn't it?
Even if it forms a support, I still think it's low confirmation.
London push is gonna come in right now.
Yeah, you
Move
better
on,
hope it
yes.
don't stop us both out, because it's struggling right now.
Yeah. Because the overall trend is bullish. This was a news reaction. That's why I'm just chilling with my GA even. Anyway, Ryan, this looks like a good idea overall, since you waited for this thing to break your support and close below. So good idea, it's just that there was news. So I would have been a bit more... I don't know if you noticed, but that's not part of your rules. You were lucky that the data was negative also.
Since when you trade GA?
Since today. Because I'm putting it on for Manish and Janet. Yeah, I was explaining to them just now. Because some of the other students also take GA. So I'll just analyze it together so that at least they can see. If not, they're so
I
lost.
used to trade G Sheffy a lot. A lot.
Well, we just flip bullish on GA.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, look at that candle, 50-minute candle. Oh, close bearish. Oh, wow. That was crazy, bro. Oh, no, what? It closed bullish, but on my MT4 close. Oh, they're playing with me. Nope, I'm cutting this trade.
They're taking your money.
They're trying to bamboozle you.
Bro, on my MT4, it's bearish. And I look on TradingView, it's a big bullish, doji kind of candle. But that's cool. Watch, I'm about to hit TP anyway now.
Wow, the
That's
candle
'cause they
doesn't have a
tried to
top wick.
bamboozle.
Yeah, but
I
there's
don't think-
volume. So
I don't think I will be able to pass this support. Like the
I hope it can, bro. To be honest, it can, but it just depends. It just
I'm going
depends.
to say it's not gonna fill the clean candle below support.
Bro, GJ does magics. GJ does wonders, bro. You just, I don't know,
it's
man.
gonna fail. Look on the 4-hour, Kevin. It's clean. You're almost there.
Oh yeah, if that breaks, if this level breaks,
Yeah.
man.
You already broke the resistance, right? The one that you guys were worried about.
Yeah, I broke
Yeah, it closed
but,
below.
Yeah, but it's it keeps rejecting it, man.
Yeah, but I
Kinda
didn't
irritating.
reject to the resistance, you see. But anyway, you guys should be in profits already. Are you at BE?
I suggest take 80%.
Nah. Everyone has their own management. There's no fixed number. Maybe Guala's going all the way down to 141, 200.
Yeah.
See?
No, no, not 200. 4 hour support right here. I wanted to tap it, but it's not giving it to me. So I'm about to just close this trade out, break even, take that minor loss
Break
before I
even?
go to work.
Oh, you
Yeah, man.
re-entered?
Yeah, I never got stopped out, but spreads
Oh.
just is putting me at break even at this point
Throw your
while
account
I'm in
away.
profit.
Change your broker, man.
It's an ECN account, you know.
Oh, you changed already?
Yeah. No, I've been on the ECN account. I just checked yesterday because I
Then how?
needed some money. I withdrew some money.
I thought your spread was like 2 or 3 pips or something like that.
It's two at this. I just looked while I was on the toilet. It was 2.3.
Your ECN is fake. Why is it so X?
2.3.
Yeah,
That's really high.
Yeah. Mine is not even true
Yeah,
ECN and I'm low ones. Alexi is
Yeah.
below 1, I think.
Mine's less than 1.
Yeah. Bro, you're getting robbed, man.
I'm in 1 pip drawdown when price is still under the sell line at this point.
Damn.
Yeah, you know.
Robbing you, man. Wow, look at GA is playing.
I'm gonna just cut this trade when we break even.
Kevin, do you secure your 10? You should have gotten 10, right?
No, I haven't gotten 10.
Huh?
I did. Yeah, I haven't gotten 10 yet.
Oh, wait. You didn't enter. Where do you enter? Not this. After the big one, right? Or this one?
From the 1 hour perspective. If you look, yes, that candle, that long wick to the upside, and then when it was coming down, it broke the low of the 1 hour.
Oh, you took it so low. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't see it from the 15-minute. I was looking at the 1 hour.
That hit 10 pips already.
No, it didn't. From his entry, I don't think so.
No, he entered when he broke the 1 hour.
No, bro. Here. Entered on the 15 when it broke the wick. Heaven, I think. It's like almost by heaven. It's tickling him.
Yeah.
Does I see market support what's it called? Magic keys?
Yes, it's not about the broker. It's about your platform. If you use MT4, 5 or C Trader, it will support regardless of your broker.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see.
GA wants to fly.
It's gonna flip. Yeah. It's going to fly and it's gonna flip. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go.
I'm inside.
Nice.
You guys are buying GA?
Yeah. Oh, this is 1 hour is PEAUT full. I like it. Look at this. Woo!
Damn, bro, price is pushing back.
Yeah, I cut it at break even right on time. I knew it was gonna happen. If my spread wasn't so big, I would have held, to tell you the truth. Oh, this is some nice 1 hour support right there.
Yep.
Going up to, oh wow.
Yep.
You guys holding that whole thing?
On GA?
Yeah.
Yes. 76.9, right?
Yeah, them buys is clean.
Yeah.
76.9.
Yeah, this is gonna. I think I'm only gonna take 1 trade today. Because I had on FXCM, this chart has no wick, but on my broker it had a decent wick. So let's go.
Why is GA spread so high?
Little bit higher.
It's like 2 pips. Holy shit.
Yep. But look at the range you have, bro. 2 is nothing.
Good luck to you guys.
Yeah, but if you're not comfortable, don't take it.
Yeah, my GA spread is fluctuating.
Whoa, look at that. It's going nice.
1.8 and 8. Ooh.
Damn, bro.
Come on, GA, fly.
This was patience there, man.
Yeah.
If you had an itchy hand and you went long shot, you got chopped. Let's just wait. I want this.
it followed. It did what I wanted it to do. Like the
Mm,
previous 1 hour did make a resistance, but it
yeah.
closed above. It closed above what's the number again? 76,300 in like the last 2 minutes of that 1 hour candle even.
Yeah. Just be patient with it.
L, you're not worried about that level?
The yellow one, right? That I put the line. No,
No.
this one.
Can you go on the 1 hour? Yes.
Oh no, I thought you were talking about the. Oops, sorry.
You're not worried about that.
No, it broke. Look at this area here that you're looking at, right? The candles here already broke it, up and down.
It went up and down, so it's like weak.
It's weaker already, I think.
Yeah.
It's not irrelevant, it's just weaker. What is good?
Because there's this few weeks, you know.
Hmm. But you need to also remember, like, when did these wicks form? News.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So the price was struggling because people reacted to the news. Hence, you had
there
this.
was news for this.
Yeah. Before.
Yeah, it's GA.
This candle closed right at news. Then the next one had the reaction.
Wasn't this the news?
It closed right at news. So right before news, it was bullish, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then the next one when it opened, basically the crossover at 3, these two candles, yeah. So that's why you see the two of them are like smaller in comparison to the rest. It's just indecision. It's not a straight up doji, but it's indecision. Because the body and the wicks are like almost same length.
If GA goes up, GJ goes up as well.
No.
Isn't the Australian market closed?
Not entirely true on the direction.
As in for now, since Australian market is closed, right? So now it's only British pound that's moving the market.
Oh yes. Yeah. If you're talking in that aspect, yes. Now only the pound, basically anything UK related will affect it. That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so earlier saw the news on Forex Factory.
Which one?
The one on Australian GA.
Where?
Oh no, I'm asking.
The news earlier?
Yeah.
Here, this one. See? The GBP data.
Oh, okay. No. Need to learn how to read this better. That's still the coolest.
Yeah, Peter, I was considering GCAT as a backup pair as well, but for GCAT, right, I've noticed when it trends, the move isn't that big. Versus, like, you see, both GA and GCAT are moving up, right? But GA is flatter. So I went with GA. Plus, with GCAT, I find personally for me, I find the wicks to be a problem. Especially when I place my stop loss.
Hey, for the account type, I choose raw spread, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm going to IC markets. I've had enough.
Don't donate.
When you do rebates, do you just get like monthly payback or just reduce spread?
No, yeah, because I'm with Hugo's, man, and my spread just tricks me every time.
Chris, you talking about this? The cashback?
Yeah, the cashback. I have like a problem.
I do daily. So
What do you mean, cashback? Do I get some money?
Depends on your broker. Like Hugo's way, right? Let's see.
Yeah.
No, but you're in Europe, right?
Yeah.
I think Europeans cannot. They don't give anything for Europeans. Yeah, Hugo's way doesn't have. So like, what broker are you using, Chris?
IC Market. I try to sign up with them, but I have some issues. I'm gonna have to contact IC Market and see what's that about. Because when I try to sign up with them, tells me that I have status not verified.
Oh, okay.
I just have to contact my broker today at some point and
Oh,
see what's that about.
okay. Because so you see, like on IC, right, it's a monthly cashback or you reduce your spreads. But every broker has a different like cashback option. This is for IC. And then if you look at Pepperstone, right, which is mine, I have a daily and a monthly. So it's differing. I use the daily for my case. Yeah, so they just pay it into my trading account. So if you look at like how it looks like on my trading account, right? It's literally here. See? Daily they got like rebate deposit. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, so they do pay and it's daily.
Wouldn't it be better to reduce the spread?
I don't have that option.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think that's what I wanted to go with, to have my
Yeah.
spread reduced.
Choose whichever one works for you.
It depends. If you have a real spread IC account, then no point getting.
Yeah, because it's already so low. It might hit 0. Then if you reduce it, it's like there's nothing to reduce. What happened to EJ, Jason? Ooh, damn. Europe has data also.
Yeah, Spanish CPI.
I wonder why they ask for it. I wonder how they. Do you guys know why they ask if you're a politically related person on the sign up?
All financial institutions ask. They need to know. Just click no.
Okay. Yeah, because I think if you click yes, they're gonna throw you away. Like, nope.
No, if you click yes, your account will take a few months to open. They're gonna ask you for
Really?
all sorts of documentation. Yeah.
Oh goodness. Oh,
It's the same
GAs
thing
in
with bank
drawdown,
accounts.
man. Wow.
Your GA.
Yeah, took it with you guys. It made sense. But if this candle closes bearish, I'm done. For the day, really done.
It closed above though, on the 15.
Yeah.
I wonder what the spread is on GJ for
I
Oh wow,
realized-
GU has a 0.1 spread?
Yeah, bro, it's
What?
not supposed to be so expensive.
What?
I realized for GA in London it's cheap. It's as cheap as GA. For me anyway.
I'm about to look it up on the internet. Like, what is IC Markets live spreads? IC. If it gives me a spread for live,
I'm with IC. IC is quite good still.
Yeah, bro. A few of them are using IC. You can just ask them.
EU is 0, GU is 0.2.
GA is like under 1 peep at the minute.
what's
yeah.
GJ
GJ?
is like
GJ is like
is
0.7, 0.6.
0.6 point, yeah.
Oh wow, that's a whole 1 pip and 1.3 pips.
Yeah.
Different, man. Wow. Yeah, BP told me about that, but I never actually made my account, but
Alan, do you have partials set in place for GA?
Sorry?
Are you taking profit in GA like partials at one point?
No. I'm just gonna trail my stop.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so I
I
think
thought you would like to secure something and just let the rest ride.
no, because when I did the math on that, right, it didn't make sense. So what I mean by that is, okay, imagine if you just wait, hang on. If you have, for example, 50 pips, you're aiming for a 50 pips target, like in this case. If at 1 hour, let's say 10 pips you secured, right?
Yeah.
Half. You have secured 5 pips, correct?
Yeah.
And then the final trade moves for 50 pips. Technically it will be
Okay.
5 plus 25, correct?
Yeah.
But if I trail my stop, let's say at 1 hour I trail it and I hit break even, yes, I end up with nothing. But if the price moves to 2 hour, I lock it at 1 hour, I get a full 10 pips. Yeah,
Okay.
so that's why I thought that the math make more sense that way. But the only risk is I end up with nothing if it comes back in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you
So
trail it on the 1 hour?
I trail it based on it hitting my risk, my RR. So you see how my stop loss is already set like that, right? So when I'll literally put an alarm here like this, and then when it hits the area, I shift my stop. That's about it. Yeah.
Okay. All right, makes sense. Thank you.
Kevin, you still in, right?
So
No?
I brought my stop loss to my entry.
As in, so you got stopped or you are still in?
Yeah, I got stopped.
Oh.
Well, look at that, it's going all the way to the daily.
Yeah. You brought it down earlier? Or it hit 10 and then you brought it down?
No, it was coming down on the 15. It was going bullish, right? It broke the 15-minute started going bullish. So I was like, I don't want to. Maybe it was gonna turn around.
Oh, okay.
I got scared.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing to be. That's why I kept telling you to look at the higher time frame though. Nothing to be scared on the higher time frame. They look so clean. Always remember, Kevin. You always get scared when you stay on the lower time frames.
Yeah, that was probably. I was looking at the 15-minute the whole time.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like,
Stay off it. Because this 15-minute just now earlier, I saw it flipped bullish and then it went up. And it broke the previous high. But I mean, if that's part of your rules to manage your trade, right? When it breaks the previous high, you were supposed to cut, I think. Not bring the stop loss to break even. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're supposed to cut and leave the stop loss as where it was. No? Yeah.
Sometimes I wish.
At 50%.
And leave the rest, right? Yeah, what, Chris?
Sometimes I wish there was someone right next to me just to hold me down in a headlock or something so I can get away from the screen for at least 15-20 minutes. Because I get like the same ideas, like, oh, it's not going my way, going in drawdown, not getting out of drawdown, just close it all off. And then, surprise, the next 15 minutes it goes and hits my profit.
Yeah.
And it happens a little bit too often, and I'm trying to work on patience to just let it go. That's why I'm trying to look at lower time zones, like the 5-minute, 15-minute, to at least justify the reason why I'm cutting my trade by half or cutting off completely instead of just by emotions.
Yeah. I think make use of this is a interesting way of putting it, but make use of us. It's like when Kevin spoke it out, right? At least I can tell him like, look at the higher time frames. Then it's up to him whether he wants to do it. But if you don't speak it out, then we won't know. But use the chat. If I can help you, I will help you. I'll help you stay in.
You'll just
either that or I will roast you. I'll be like, don't be a chicken, Chris.
In that case, I'll just like turn off the screen, go out to wash my car, and then come back and see how it does.
And then see Matt profits when you get back.
Look at GJ, dang.
Yep.
Dang, GJ.
I was listening to Trading in the Zone, and this exactly what I did was like the scenario he was saying, like once you already have your discipline, like if you look at something else, you get scared of something, like fear comes in.
Yeah, but remind yourself why you
and then yeah,
but you gotta remind yourself why you entered and where's your target. It's like if you notice now, I'm really not looking at my GA anymore because in my mind, number one, I entered on the 1 hour. Do I look at it? No, I only look at it every half an hour because my trade management is one time frame down. So now it's 4:25. I don't need to look at it yet because I know if I keep picking at it, right? Just now it was negative. It came down. It was in the red zone, but it doesn't help me. You know what I mean? So prepare yourself. If you know you entered, because you said you entered based on the 1 hour, I think, just now on GJ, right?
Yeah, I was saying.
Yeah.
I was looking at the 4-hour perspective, and then I entered at the 1 hour, so I shouldn't be looking at the 15.
Exactly.
But the way that played out on GJ, that was kind of a lot of wicks, though. I would have personally closed out as well, just because of the wicks he was giving me.
Yeah, but that's because you guys are looking at the lower time frame. But look at the 1. Just look at the 1.
Yeah, I close out break even anyway, but.
Yeah. Kevin, see this 1 hour? This one?
Yeah.
Remember this gray zone we are talking about? It closed below. So every time it closed below, just if you were to make an entry there, right, you would wait for a top wick to form before it flips bearish, then you take it down, right? So think of it in a sense that if you want to enter, what would you want to see? If you saw all this, then would it help you hold the trade? I think the fact that it managed to close below, left the lower wick, you should have just left it. Yeah, don't stay on the
Yeah.
lower time frame, man.
Yeah, it was a good entry, bad management. Dummy management, that's what it was.
Nah, you were anxious. Just make a
Yeah.
note. Remind yourself. You have the solution ready. You just gotta use the solution.
It hurts more when it goes in profit. Every time it goes in profit, ah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow, GA is really cheap to trade, I see, huh? Wow, I don't get any profits out of this one. What the fuck? I just looked at that. I'm like, what? If it's TP, like what?
Kevin, if you feel anxious next time, in between, right, walk away from the charts for a bit. Because if you enter on the 1, you have a 30-minute window to just go off for a while. Don't stay stuck to your screen. You can go take, I don't know, walk to your toilet or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's good to leave the screen or go to sleep.
Yeah.
But then you can't manage it how you want. Then you have to be mentally prepared to take a full hit if you do end up losing.
Exactly. But the thing is, it's not the right time to manage anyway. Yeah. A-Rod. Yeah, A-Rod, actually on Go, right, I saw this as well. Just now I was discussing it with the rest. I saw this area here. It was making lower highs all the way down. So I'm not sure if you were, only if it breaks out above this 1856, then I'll consider the longs. Other than that, I think it's gonna be stuck till New York.
And watch this GJ go all the way. It's gonna go all the way down, huh?
It might retest.
Probably.
All the way down.
Probably.
It has to retest.
It's a 4-hour support, yeah.
Jesus Christ! Look, it's split on GJ now.
No, you want this. It's a good thing if a strong candle goes through this 4-hour zone. You want it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that spot's good for sell limits, man. I tell you.
Yeah.
You could just eat off. Like I'm about to put a sell limit before I go to work. I don't care where it's at. I'm telling you, because I'm about to eat that whole move down for free.
Look
while
how
I'm at
tempting
work.
it is to go in on that just because it's clear traffic to the left.
Yeah.
And it's still
It's
going
tempting.
and going and going.
But you got that 4-hour candle about to close, and that next 4-hour candle's gonna hit you, come right back to where you were at. An hour and a half.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait to see if it's gonna retest and then go in on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
if I'm gonna take a trade with it, because I'm still debating on that.
So let's see, check YouTube description on how to send a chart. Yeah, this is good. I like this close. Because it closed below every single body on the left. This is very good.
GA 5 minute just close strong above the resistance.
Yeah, exactly. I saw it. So now we just gotta wait. Yeah.
This is the retest you're looking for on the 30-minute.
Yeah. If it flips bearish.
Yeah, I was just about to say, but you have to let this one flip because it might fake you out, buddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Especially because they know that too. They know that this is a major support.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It could be.
If you don't let this one,
yeah.
Man. If you don't wait for your confirmations on this one,
good luck.
You're hit.
Yep.
Pew pew. And down. Oh, I got a half hour, then I'm about to go to work. Hate work. Hate work.
Motivation.
Motivation. I do
No
not
motivation.
get no motivation to go to work.
Motivation to trade, bro.
None. You know how I walk into work every day? Shut up. Leave me alone. Let me do my work and go home. Fuck you. Give me another year or something. I'm gonna fucking leave a big ass fat dookie stain in front of this door.
Someone says
We're all
like,
shit in front of that
what's
store.
his problem? And someone says like, he's traded GJ this morning.
No, I got broke even. I mean, I lost half of my position, but then I broke even. So I'm in the GA right now. So I'm gonna eat that while I'm at work.
If GA,
Just
for
gonna-
example, looks good, wouldn't you add like another position on, let's say, the 1 hour close in your direction?
Nah, I already lost today on half position.
Sorry,
This
Chris.
is my other half,
What?
sort of say.
I was saying like on GA, for example, if you're in a buy and you expect it to go higher, and the next 1 hour is like a nice, strong bullish candle, would you add another position on top of your current open position, or just?
Nah. If I add it, where would be my stop? The same place. Then my risk reward is a bit disgusting already. Nah. Unless I only added, like, I only took it as a half position, then yeah, I might stack. But no. The full position went in already. So I'm just waiting. Because if I add my positions, right, usually if I want to do stacking, my first position will have a very aggressive stop. The second position the stop will be much wider.
Okay.
Yeah, but I won't stack my thing.
Yeah, it's kind of
Looking at GA is a bit on this side. Where it's gonna go?
Because if you look at GA on the 1 hour, the candles still have not broken. Like this one, the bodies are still around the same place. So it hasn't really done what it's supposed to do if it wants to go up. Yeah.
I think if it closes like above the previous candle wick, it's a good sign that it should continue moving up.
Yes.
this is every trader's dream on GJ.
Yes.
It's right here. I'm about to catch a whole move down.
You know what? I'll just think of the opposite. Like, what would I do in this situation? I'd sell. Okay, I'll do the opposite and make some profit.
I mean, I do see it at least touching 140.881. Once it breaks, it's gonna struggle around that big resistance again, but actually it might just stop there. Because that's strong resistance. That's a triple top. There's no volume though.
Yeah.
Gross.
Okay, Zulu, let's look at your chart. It's really near. TP for runner, okay. How does a doji assure you that price is going down? I'm assuming it's a doji, right? This one here.
I'm actually about to enter GJ if it flips again.
Oh, I thought you were going to work.
Yeah, but I'm gonna leave it open for work, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna just leave it running. Let it hit my full TP or full stop, you know, one of the two. I'll just put way less risk. But if this candle flips bearish, let's see how big this stop loss is above the previous 20 pips. I don't like that RR. I'm not gonna do it. I'll catch the next move.
It's Friday. Friday, getting down on Friday.
I see it just stopping there where it's at and just consolidating the whole
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
Swear to you.
Yep.
And GA, I don't know what GA's doing, but it better hurry up and create a higher high. And flip bullish on the 15-minute. Oh wow, I was in quite some drawdown just now.
Bruh.
Wow, plus spread, you can see like I'm a 12 pip drawdown. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, the volume's died down, but it makes sense. I just waiting at this point.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that nice bullish handle on it.
It doesn't mean buy.
No, of course not.
No, I'm not replying to you. I'm saying in general, because I know some. I'm not gonna use a nice. Okay, never mind.
You're
I'll
not
just
gonna say
say.
name. You're not gonna
No,
say
I'm not
name.
gonna.
Snowflakes.
Yeah.
Snowflakes.
No, it's not that. Some hopeful individual. I found a good word. Some hopeful individual will be like, "Oh, bullish candle, buy." Then, oh
Better
shit.
like me 2 years ago.
Stop loss hit. No, man, look at this monster move down. One blue candle does not mean buy. Oh my god.
Oh, big candle.
Unless you're telling
But
me it's a 4-hour or 1-hour candle, then I'll be like, okay, maybe you have hope there. But hope does not pay. You gotta be logical with the charts.
What if I made all of my candles red?
All of challenge. Make all the candles one color. Do it. You will take the emotions out of trading.
Yeah, some people
this shit-
trade candles that don't have any colors on it.
Yeah.
They just look at the direction and they just like
Yeah, I did.
act on it.
My candles used to be all black. Zero
I
feelings.
get paranoid.
All black. How did you see them?
No, like this.
I just think there's loads of liquidity down there, so you're gonna grab that liquidity.
And then it'll
before going
bounce.
up.
Exactly. I see it too. It's a prime area to grab liquidity and then bounce. Look, my candles are all black, guys. I'm not lying. You don't even need colors.
Change the background. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Why
or make
not?
it white. White.
I
That's
thought it was dumb for a second. I was like, why would you trade an all black candles and an all black background? And I was like, oh yeah, you can change the background. Yeah, that makes sense.
Bruh.
that's ugly. I would
But-
really have to look like, yeah, that closed bullish.
Yeah, but that's
Oh yeah, that's bearish.
but that's how you train your eye to read the candle without relying on the colors. Yeah.
that kind of gives me chills, man. How'd you trade like this?
I'm
Kind of
used to
scary,
it.
you know.
I'm used to it. If
think
I made
it's
all
scary.
what if I made all my candles white now? Everybody would be so confused. Let's do it.
Yeah, sure.
Your fucking shots are gonna look like a Just
Someone
gonna
in the
like-
chat is gonna be like, oh, no
Like a
black
thermal.
candles. That's just racist.
like you're looking through a thermal lens.
Come, let's make everything white.
Like, damn, these candles kind of hot.
Oh man, look guys. Come. Challenge.
What if I just removed all the wicks? Oh shit, no range for anything.
Zero. Everything's the same color, you feel nothing.
Wait,
If I just
what?
remove the
Can
whole
I
chart.
Still see some of it.
Kevin, the candles are all white now. What you see?
No, but it looks like
Colorblind.
red. Maybe I can see the. I don't know.
Colorblind. Bring that boy a doctor.
I just know.
Where's
I just
Yesser at?
know where. Shut up. Before you change it.
No, you know where it's gonna turn because you understand candlestick behavior already. Like you understand what the candle is doing. That's
That
why, yeah. If you
Yes,
don't
sir.
understand, you'll be
Looks
relying on the
like I know
colors.
Where the red and where the green is.
Precisely. That means that you understand the candle behavior already.
Oh my god, that is fucking ugly.
What is ugly? The white?
My chart, I changed everything to red. It looks disgusting.
it's like a warning sign if you change everything to red. Yeah, Kevin, it's a good thing if you understand it. And if you know that it's a red candle, it means you understand it. Yeah, it's a good thing, bruh.
Oh wait, no, they're not the same shade. Hold on, I need to change this.
There's a video from Raja's webinar where he talks about a doji candle forming right after a candle with a big body, indicating volume coming. I thought okay, let me know if I'm wrong because I haven't been on Raja's thing for a while. I thought if a doji candle forms, Raja ignores the candle. He takes the previous candle for an indication, right?
Yeah, he says doji means like nothing happened.
Yeah, like nothing. That's his most recent like reaction to the dojis, right?
Yeah, that's how he calls it.
Nice trade.
I remember it would be like, oh, that means like indecision and like nothing happened.
Yeah, which means he takes it as this candle never existed and he just read the previous candle's behavior, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's my understanding from before when I was on the streams, but I haven't been on for a while, so I thought I better check.
Oh man, you really want this 4-hour candle to close below that zone? Otherwise, you're going back in the range.
Oh, ladies and gents, having fun with GJ?
No, I'm having fun with GA.
GA's just from the looks of it seems more educated and docile. It looks like, yeah, guys, I'm going in a direction.
Yeah.
Oh, just look at the daily on GA, man. This shit trends quite nicely.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it
1
does.
hour
Wow.
view. 1 hour view is pretty nice. Look at it.
Yeah, so Chris, look at this, right? See, it tapped 1R for me. Then I just put my stop at 0. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Yeah. So that's why I always set alarms. I set it slightly before so that I can, give myself some time to react.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So let's see. Who sold GJ? Admit it. When this
I
big
did.
candle came down. No, when this big candle came down. You sold it probably like somewhere here, I think, up here. You are godlike. Okay, let's answer some questions. Oh, what moving average is that? Okay, this is not for me. We still have an hour 15 until 4-hour closes. Yes, if you are not sure, TradingView is wonderful because it has a clock here. So there's a clock here, it tells you how much more time is left till the 4-hour closes. Same for the 1 hour. It also has a timer. I think some retracement to the upside is coming. I don't know. It definitely should do some retracement, but whether or not how high, we'll just measure and then
I see it on the
react.
4-hour. I see it coming back to 141.803 if it closes in this zone again. So then retest that to continue for a lower low.
Yep.
Because technically it did form a lower low. Not by much, but it did. And then it formed a lower high. And then this candle should break these lows. But we'll see.
Yep.
Technically. It doesn't really look like it broke it, but they did actually. I like 20 pips. Oh no, wait, let me see. 20 pips, 5 pips.
Right, I think I'm gonna go make a coffee. Right back.
This ain't no G, this shit smoking. This shit thanks for real.
Do I make a good return only trading 2 pairs? Yes, why not? You can make a good return trading even 1 pair, as long as you have discipline. Because you can trade 10 pairs and still not be profitable if you have 0 discipline. Break of support.
Yeah, there was a ton of news on the pound around too.
Yeah.
Yo, Al. Al. Oh, she's not even here. Oops. Yo, Al. I just tried to ask you, but you're gone. Where is that risk to reward thing
The green thing?
where do I find that?
Is a fib.
The fib.
I edited the fib. This one.
Oh.
This thing, right? That I have.
Yeah. Oh, it's one of those. Okay. But
I just changed the
how
numbers.
do you toggle it to go from a fib to that?
Change the numbers. Take a screenshot of this.
Yeah, but that's if it's the fib. Wait.
See my screen.
camera. I have to leave in a bit. I don't have time to do it today. Well, I do, but later. All right. And then how do you toggle it to go back to a normal fib?
Change the template. So you see my bottom of my screen.
Use template. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
makes
save
sense.
the template.
Yeah. All right, makes sense. So you think GA is gonna tap 1.76884?
Yeah, around there.
Yeah, it's because I'm going to work and I can't, watch it anymore. I don't want to.
Yeah, but my stop loss is locked already though.
Yeah, I still have mine below support.
It
makes sense since I'm going to work. I should, And I got in later than you guys, so.
How late?
Just a little bit. I got in at 1. I mean, spread made me late, actually.
Okay.
So I got in at that break of the 30-minute-ish, that 30-minute red candle, and it put me up to 176,494. So it put me actually pretty high. All right, guys, I'm about to go make someone else rich. I'll catch you guys some other day, right?
Bye.
See ya. Enjoy.
Peace out. I'm not enjoying that shit, man. Take those words back. Before I leave, bro. You can't let me leave with a bad conscience.
I took them back. Hope your day goes fast.
All right, peace out.
Yeah. So hope he enjoys.
Bruh.
GA is playing, man. Yeah.
Well,
I think he's still gonna push up.
you know this sorry, good morning or good afternoon. I just joined. You know this the fib, I don't know if it's a fib though, because the numbers look weird. The fib that you've put in this GA
No, it's not a fib, it's my risk reward.
Okay, okay. So that's just to help you know where to place your stop loss and take profit?
Yes. No, lets me know how to manage my trade.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is it? What tool? Is it a trading view tool?
It's a fib. Just, okay, you need to do a screenshot of this. If you want to change it, then you can.
I've taken a screenshot. I've taken a screenshot, right?
It's just a fib, I just changed the numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I assume the reason this is happening now is just grabbing from London volume, right? From London.
Yeah. So I put my stop loss below the bodies first. Because the hour is gonna close, I don't want to get wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've reduced the risk by half, but it's below the bodies.
Oh, you mean your stop below the bodies on GA?
Weeks are like a crazy thing.
Yeah. Sorry, Janet, what?
Yeah, I was just saying that weeks, they're like really crazy. That happened to me yesterday in a test trade that I took.
Yeah.
And just the wick just tapped the stop loss a tiny bit, and then the trade just continued back up.
Exactly. So you gotta give GA space. Yeah.
Yeah. I think my problem was I placed my stop loss just on the zone. Like on a 1 hour, I think it was a 1 hour zone, no, a 4 hour zone. I should have gone. I think you've told me that before. I should have gone a little bit. I was too conservative.
Yeah. You gotta find where's your sweet spot for your stop loss. Because like for me, I gave based on my broker. So this is like my broker's charts look a bit different from this, but where I place my stop loss on my broker, it already has accounted for spread. So that's why it is how it is. Yeah, yeah. Emma, if I don't think the strategy is the only thing that determines whether you can pass the FTMO challenge. It's a whole lot of other things. Yeah, Zulu, if you want to send it in the Discord, right? The trading plan, please send it in the right channel. I replied already.
The 30-minute candle on DJ
Mm?
looks like it's tapping the support on daily.
Yeah.
And what I'm thinking is like if the next 30-minute candle opens and goes below 1 for 1 500, let's say, I think that might be a good entry for sales.
One for one.
Right.
You mean if it breaks below?
Yeah, if it breaks below.
Possibly, but by that time it's the low volume time.
Yeah, that time it'll be like patience, young Padawan until New York.
Yeah.
I think it might just range.
Yeah, but it's looking good though so far. So I'm watching because right now it pulled back just the way I like it to pull back to the 4-hour zone. So I have it at 141,600 based on this bodies here. So if it comes back, taps the area and then flips bearish, then yeah, it might have created a new resistance to come down lower.
Looking at GA, it looks like it's closing okay.
But as long as it closes above the previous wick, then it should still be fine.
It is quite literally sitting on top of the wick.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So that's why I left it. I'm fiddling with my management.
Yeah.
30, yeah, but the 1 hour about to close. Okay, the 1 hour closed.
Russ
Engulfed the previous
just
candle.
above.
Yeah.
Tiny bit.
Just above the high.
Yeah.
Above the body as well.
Yeah. Which means he's gonna make a lower wick. Which means if I had my stop loss at break even, I would have gotten tapped. That's why I shifted it down. But once it moves past, I'm gonna quickly lock it again. So I'm still watching it.
I think it's just the volume, to be honest.
Yeah, same. Because the bodies are looking like they are forming right already.
Yeah. That's a strong 1 hour support after ejecting 3 times of a 4 hour previous resistance.
Yeah.
Also on the 4 hour, we were making higher lows. So please uptrend on 4.
The 4 hour also broke and closed above its own recent resistance here. So just gotta give it time.
Yeah, exactly.
So for that GAL, did you close partial or you closed everything?
I'm still in full. I'm trailing it. I'm trailing the stops up. So when I say trailing, right, it means the full position will be trailed.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you on the iPad, Janet?
Yeah, I'm on an iPad.
How's life on the iPad?
It's okay. Actually, what I will do when I get my laptop back is I will watch the stream on the iPad.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I told you to do. So it doesn't make your computer slow.
Yeah.
Plus, because you don't really need like to type much on the Zoom anyway. You can always turn on the mic and ask something.
No, it's just watching and listening. Yeah.
Yeah.
But El, if you didn't take partial here, you're gonna lose all the profits you've made. You're just moving a stop loss without taking any closing part of your trade.
Yeah, I'm willing to do that. I'm okay with it.
Wow.
Because it depends on where you are aiming for, right? Because like what I was showing Chris just now, this trade is worth 50 pips. If I take 50 off here, 50% off here, effectively this is 10 pips, right? So I'll only be securing 5. And if the trade moves all the way up, this is another 25 pips. So total I will get 30. If I trail my stops, even if I get hit in full at 1 hour when it reaches 2, I close 10 pips. So this area here, I will end up with 0, yes, and I accept that fact. I will end up with 0. But it's fine. Because once I hit 2, I will lock 10. Versus if I hit this area at 10 pips, I lock 5, I lock my stop loss, I get 5. Yeah, so you do the math, you'll understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So the fact that you're moving your stop loss doesn't mean that if it hits your stop loss, you have a 0 balance. You still have something.
Yeah, 1 pip.
Yeah.
But right now my stop loss is not locked yet because I was anticipating this lower wick to be formed, so I wanted to give it space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going below the previous candle body.
Making that lower wick, so I'm gonna leave it. Let's see what GJ is doing. Go Van Deep. So if you're looking at this, the access is lifetime, so you don't have to pay extra for this private student area. So what do I teach in the mentorship? You can, I don't really actively market this. The link is in the description. You can read it.
Good morning.
Hey BP.
Morning.
How are you, Ellie?
I'm okay. You?
Sure?
Yes.
Your voice?
I'm tired now.
Okay.
Just answered a whole string of questions. So 5-minute break.
You deserve a rest.
He is playing, Alexi. He's playing.
Playing with people's emotions.
Yeah, man. He's playing.
Yeah,
GA.
But just looking at all the other wicks on the 1 hour thing, they all have very long wicks.
Yeah. So I'm watching that 4-hour level, so it hasn't hit me yet.
GA wicks a lot.
Yeah, that's why I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it a chance to hold this 4-hour zone.
It's retesting that for 4 hours now?
Yeah, I have a
Yeah.
4 hour zone at
Yeah.
763.
763.
Yeah.
L,
Hmm?
you didn't put your stop loss to
Yeah.
break even?
No, I moved it.
Ooh,
Because the hour's closing, so I left it open first.
you moved.
Because I want
This
to
is
see
Matty,
this.
right?
Yeah.
Yo,
I want to see what happens here.
you moved your SL?
I didn't expand it. It's still the same.
If it's doing like a long rejection as well, wouldn't you consider taking 50% off? Or a portion of it?
Yeah.
Because
Maybe
it looks very
dodgy.
big. Yeah. It looks like it's, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm watching this 4 hour level is crucial for me.
If it goes below the 4 hour, would you close all the position?
I'll cut half.
Like it's doing now, almost.
Yeah. I'm watching.
Why do I hear someone talking in the background? It's
My-
driving me crazy.
It's my TV. You want me to mute? My dad is watching news.
Oh, GG had closed above 1416. Barely any top, but down the 30. Make a resistance off of that. That's gonna be pretty nice. Just the volume.
Yeah. GA might go and tap into. He might tap into the area.
On the 4 hour of GA, where I think I can see a long wick if I toggle back. Is that an indication that it could have candles that will fill it on the lower time frame?
Is there an indication that there will be candles that will fill it?
Or that it will go back up to fill, the price will go back up to fill that wick?
Potentially. Yes,
Okay,
potentially. You need to see how each of the lower time frame candles are closing. Because right now, right, if you look at... Okay, let me get rid of this. Oops. If you... Hang on. If you look at this area here, let me blow it up. So see how this lower time frame, there is a support over this area here. Somewhat of a support here. So as long as it holds this area, right, and then when it keeps breaking each individual lower time frame candles bodies and the highs, then it is an indication that yes, it should fail. Yeah. So I'm just watching it.
And going really hard.
Is there news?
Not any that I can see of.
Yeah, nothing, right?
Wait, let me check Forex Factory as well.
At the same time, I see it rejecting because it went up and then went back down again. Like it's doing it right now. It's going back up.
Yeah.
Why is this nice GDP estimate and it's tentative?
Okay. Like really bad. It looks really bad.
Yeah, it's okay. I cut half already. It's just how it is, right? Because I didn't want to. What's that? I had to give it space to test this area, but if it comes down, then it comes down. It hits me. But I already cut half. Oh shit, where's my markup?
Wow, GA really rejected that area.
Yeah. But it's really near to my stop loss already.
No, as in the one that I showed you earlier
Oh, okay.
on the 1 hour. Yeah.
Yeah, someone is saying I bought at resistance also. Let me see. I don't think I did.
It's like exactly there.
No, my buy eh.
No, not your buy, but the rejection. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see the rejection, yes. But
Yeah.
the buy was not at resistance. Because the way I saw my buys earlier, so Ivan, you just came on, you didn't hear the explanation. Zoom out. Zoom out. How much you want me to zoom out? I don't go that far, man. Like like to me, I was reading the recent price action on GA. This candle held support. So it was all from pre-London. So the analysis played out all the way from pre-London. So when this candle formed bullish, it confirmed that it was gonna confirmed that it broke the zone. So I waited for it to flip bullish and then I took the entry long. So I think my entry and your entry might be a bit different. I don't think it's at resistance though, unless I'm missing something up. Except for these wicks here.
You said you bought it at a resistance?
Yeah, where?
Bought it at a resistance.
Yeah, help me out, guys. Where? Tell me the price. Don't tell me a 4-hour resistance. Tell me the price. Because my chart is different. I will plonk the line on and I'll see whether it matches.
Where did you buy it at? Like, what's your
76.38.
I think they might meant this area.
Yeah, but I bought it below, right? Unless you're telling me if it's not enough range, then yes. Yeah, but that's also why I gave it space on the stop loss.
For me, honestly, it's a good trade.
4-hour is 76322.
Yeah, I understand your trade, so I understand why you did it.
76322. Let me see. No, because it's more than one person calling me out. That's why I'm curious to see what they're saying. Seven six three two two.
76322.
I guess it depends on how you draw your zone, right? The way I drew my zone broke. The way they drew their zone didn't break.
I mean, price broke the resistance, no?
Yeah, it did break one. See? Even on 76322, it broke. Yeah.
Is the resistance, no?
Yeah. See, there's another zone now here.
There's rejections. Just that there's rejections here.
So. Yeah. Okay, there's another zone. Let's see. top is 76402. Let's put it here. 76402. Bottom is 1.76288. Yeah, see, everyone's zone is different. If my zone was like that, I would never buy it, obviously. Yeah.
You said your buy price was 1.7638.
Yeah. It's just right smack in the area, I think. It's unfortunate.
I mean, I don't even. It's not necessarily a resistance area, but I see a small wick to the left.
This one?
No, here I'm gonna have to send you a chart, my chart, because it's hard to explain.
Yeah. No, really, guys. If you guys see something else, then just discuss it. Like that, we're not calling anyone out. It's just I might have missed something.
Yeah, everybody has their own way of trading. It's good to discuss ideas.
Yeah.
You know, there's no right or wrong way. Everybody has their own way of doing it.
Yeah.
Anyone looking for DJ stuff?
Not yet, Kevin. Wait for the 30. Because now there's no volume. If you want to take a trade, you need to wait for strong confirmation. And plus, it didn't break the low, the new low that was created.
Yeah, I'm debating if I should put a sell stop below that, or just wait for it to break. There's no volume right now.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna leave sell stop and just go to sleep.
Okay. Just understand if you place a sell stop now and there's no volume, you get wicked. It's a probability.
Yeah, gonna happen.
That candle looks dangerously strong.
Yeah.
Are you still in it, El?
Yeah, hanging on.
How many pips left? Like 5, 6
How many pips left?
left before it reaches your stop loss.
Yeah, 5?
Did you cut half, or is it still full?
I cut half already. When it broke the bodies on the 30, this area here. When it came down halfway, I cut it.
Looking at it from the 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Now that might be what he's talking about. I'm not too sure. There's other resistance areas in the short term, but I don't actively trade GBP AUD.
Yeah. Let me see. Wait. Where do you send it?
To your Discord.
Oh.
I put the link, but then it just showed a picture.
Oh yeah, it's like that. Hang on.
I mean, that's somewhat near. That's what I'm saying. It's not necessarily, to me, it's not necessarily a resistance level, but. And then, of course, there's some areas here and of course here, that's in the middle.
Mm.
So like this one here is off of it rejected a bit there. So that might be where that sell-off is coming from.
Yeah.
I mean, again, I don't necessarily know what he's saying, but that might be what he's talking about.
Someone's also saying this area is a daily fib. Well, I didn't draw the daily fib earlier when I took my entry. I don't normally draw a daily fib also.
I'd be struggling because of the fib.
Yeah, it's in the golden zone.
But
Like
it also,
yeah.
Also makes sense on price action to keep going up. But if this 4-hour candle was to close bearish and make a resistance off of there, then
Yeah, then I'm out. 100%.
Yeah.
I don't want to be in because it's gonna push down.
yeah.
DJ looking to go down again. Going down with a vengeance.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the daily, again, I'm just doing a quick survey here, but if you zoom out a little bit, I mean, you can kind of see recently it's been going down and the volume hasn't really stopped or hasn't shown any weakness. Just for me, if I was going to buy, I would just be very careful with it. Because again, for me, it hasn't really shown that the buyers wanted to just come in and take over the chart.
Yeah. Yeah,
And
if you look
then-
at the daily, it's quite clear. The area where I bought it looks like support on the daily.
Right. So, and then of course, you have this buy area here. So, kind of what I was looking at a level. Where's it at? It's not telling me the level, but there's a wick 1.7696 on a daily.
Yeah.
There's a wick right there.
7696.
Yeah. So you gotta come out a little bit more. Yeah, so I believe right here. Yep. So you take that resistance level there. So I wanted to, because for me, I'm not seeing this stopping anytime soon. If I wanted to buy, I need to see at least this resistance level break. But if you go down to like the 1 hour to 30 minute,
I got stopped.
Oh, they knocked it off.
Yeah, I got stopped already.
it front ran it a little bit and it didn't necessarily touch, but it kind of rejected off of there.
Yeah.
And so for me, if I would have saw something like that, and say, okay, I don't really know necessarily what it wants to do, so let me wait a little bit longer. So as it came down and popped back up,
hang on, let me zoom in.
Yeah. But again, this is just for me. As it came down and popped back up, and I see this area right here, if I wanted to buy, then I would need a couple of things. I would need for these buyers to break this level here, and then for me to gain even more confidence, I would like for it to at least break this resistance level here. So that way, for me, I know, okay, I know in the long term it looks like it's going to sell, but at least I'm giving myself enough confidence that it's starting to break some levels here. But as it's been showing so far, like I said, it didn't touch, but it came down here. And it's been doing lower lows. Again, I'm just doing a quick synopsis, but
I think the way I looked at it was because this area here broke the highs already.
Yeah. That's what I say. I understood what you did with the trade. So there was nothing wrong with the trade.
It's just that the area I entered on the higher time frame, it support. That's why. I just got caught right in the middle of it.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
You just got caught right in the middle.
I got caught right in the middle of it because the lower time frame already showed that the area was going to push up. But it's just that on the higher time frame, I was right smack in the middle.
Right dab in the middle. That's and that's a crazy thing because it's like, again, you could have still bought. You can still buy on this chart. It's just because you're going against what the majority is during for the daily, like the long term right now. You can still buy. You just have to time it right.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it depends. Yeah, Andy is right. Depends on what time frame you look at. That's why everyone has a different bias.
Yeah.
Right.
Honestly, for me, sorry, go ahead.
No, you go. It's fine.
No, I just want to say that it was a good trade. It was a 4-hour break and a retest.
Yeah.
The only thing, in my opinion, is that the timing we are at right now, maybe if this happened at the New York Open, would have worked. But I think it's a good trade overall.
Yeah. I mean, I would have taken it. Like, give me 10 times, I'll take it 10 times. Because I use the most recent price action to trade a small burst. I don't really go for like daily levels. So that's why I took the trade where it was. Plus, I also understood at that point in time when I took an entry, right? Based on the 4-hour, it was already like, it had already moved quite a bit from the morning. Yeah. So I also understood that.
Yeah, for me, it like that was a good trade to me. As long as you followed your plan, you have like I said, everybody has their own lines, their own levels. As long as you followed your plan and you did what you were supposed to do, like you always do, that's a perfectly good trade.
Yeah. No, just because there are suddenly like okay, so it always happens like this. Every time I take a loss, a lot of people have comments. When I take a win, no one has a comment. So that's why I always want to know what they are seeing.
Yeah, but that's being on the public, you know?
Yeah.
That's trading publicly. That's it.
As in, I'm fine, like, I never once said I'm 100% right. The reason why I opened the channel is because I want to bounce ideas off people.
Totally.
Yeah. But if you're just, like, there's some, I'm sorry to say this, but there's some dumbass that said this is an analysis. Please tell me how is it an analysis? This is not helpful for anyone. Like, what the hell, man? Like, Ivan's trying very hard to send a chart, I know. But this is not an analysis, it's a signal, man. Come on. Like, it doesn't help anyone. And that's not what the group is for, that's what I'm saying. Person's probably gonna get really insulted, but he spammed the chat with that, so.
Was he the one with all the deleted comments?
No.
I was
Not
like,
yet.
I was
Not
like,
yet.
what? I was like, what the heck is going on in this chat?
Yeah. Ivan is trying very hard.
I was like, what the? All right.
Yeah, Ivan. Let me show you, Ivan. If you did it on TradingView, right here, click the camera. Then when there's a URL that pops up here, right, copy it. Copy just this last part of the code. Yeah, the gibberish on the code. Yeah. Okay, someone sent another GA. Let's see. It's the 4 hour. Okay. This candle. Yeah. But this only happened now, you see. This won't really. This is a daily level, I believe. Yeah, Zara, that's why. Like, if you really, the platform is just for us to exchange ideas. But obviously, you can't come with just like, oh, sell at this price, buy at this price. That's not analysis. That is a signal, and this is not a signals channel. But if you are willing to share a chart, everyone can learn. So like, this chart is really good.
DJ is breaking the law.
Yeah, GG. It flipped also.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
anyone taking on that?
What, GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still in the cell right now.
Did you go in now or earlier this morning?
Yeah, I'm still in it now.
Oh, we went in right now.
Yeah, I'm in it right now.
All right.
You entered right now.
No, like I'm in it.
No,
Like,
okay.
He's in it from really long ago, I think.
From 142.
Let me see.
Yeah, we need to break this 4-hour level.
Whoa. Okay, that's what it was doing.
Talent is not feelings. I'm just asking you to like, if you want to share your analysis, that wasn't analysis. That's all I'm saying. And unfortunately, yours was a comment that had zero analysis, so that was the only thing I could point out.
I got in a little bit late, but have a 142.06 is where my trade is right now.
Yeah, Chris, the way I see it, right, this middle candle here is a bit dodgy. It didn't break the lows. Plus, plus
I
now
mean,
it's like no volume.
From an impulse point of view, because some people are like, oh, it's going.
Nah,
but I had the same idea. It doesn't have volume. I'm guessing it's gonna range until New York.
Yeah, correct.
Exactly.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
I might just wait until then.
Yeah.
That's why I already have my game open, so I can look away from the charts. That's the only way I can look away from the charts. Is like, okay, it's after 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
We have clean space for it to fall.
Yeah, but it's like a honeycomb for people.
The 4 hour.
Yeah.
It's 30 minutes left for the 4 hour to close, so.
Yep.
The next one could pull back potentially.
Yep. Totally.
So anyone's game.
Yeah.
Hold on, Nell. I'm about to send you.
Let's see.
I have my donut.
Oh. Oh, it's KL. I don't really know where you entered. Like this candle? Okay. Oh, key level, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, Jivan has this psychological key levels. Okay, got it. 1 minute. Okay. Nah, I suck on the like 1 minute time frame. I can upfront tell everybody that I suck on it. There's too much noise for me. I cannot take a clean trade.
I don't know how people trade on the 1 minute.
I cannot take a clean trade, but maybe I think it's a personality thing. Some people
I
can.
think they zoom out into space and they look at the 1 minute. They can determine if it's an uptrend or downtrend or something.
Yeah.
I
Like
mean, oh, go ahead.
There's this guy, so the chart that he showed just now, right? There's this guy, he's really good on the 1 minute, and he's really good with fundamentals. This guy on YouTube. Yeah. So
Yeah,
if anyone's like
his videos.
Yeah, but unfortunately, with the 1 minute, you also get a lot of entries, which is the solid one you don't really know. Or rather, like there will be a lot of entries that will test you. The trick is to wait for the proper one. But with the 1 minute, because it can give you like 10 entries within an hour, you getting greedy is like an understatement.
Yeah, I mean, it's already hard enough being precise with the 15 minutes. I mean, and you got to be really precise, you know, and for 4 hour and under, you have to be really precise with your entries. So doing on the 1 minute, it's even more precise. You got to know what you're doing.
Yeah. So, Muhammad, if you want to sell this as an impulse, just make sure you have volume. To me, there's no volume now, so I wouldn't. No, Chuck, like I said just now, the comments on the losses is fine. But if you commented without like, it's like how the previous guys, remember, JB and Willie, they were just shouting entries and they were like, wrong, but zero analysis. Like, how the hell am I supposed to know what's wrong? Yeah. That's all I'm saying. Like, I've never once told someone off for calling me out. Never once. Ivan, did you sell it just because of the rejection areas? That's why once it tapped into it, you sold it.
Yeah.
Isn't this a long fib? It is, right?
Yes.
Alex, are you trying to just sell it down to the 4-hour 50 fib?
Yeah, he is fibbing up, yes.
For a while, I was like, eh? Because he put a long fib, but then his trade is a sell.
Well, it depends on the reasoning he's doing a long fib. I mean, because like I do, sometimes I do when I do a buy, I do the recent sell fib to see the opposite fib levels as resistance.
To manage your trade, right?
Right, to just manage it
Yeah.
and see what price wants to do. I mean, but again, it just depends on what he's trying to do with it. What's the reasoning? I mean, you can still do it, but you gotta have a reason to do it.
Yeah, it seems like Alex is just selling into the 4-hour 50 fib. It's an interesting way to trade. Because it has confluences. Clean candle. 4-hour 50 fib. I mean, it's not invalid. It's just that the reason for sell is not just that. Like, what else? Are you just gonna sell it when it crosses this line? Or like, what other things are you looking for, Alex?
Oh yeah, by the way, I think I set my trade on your Discord. So
which one?
The GJ. I'm currently in right now.
Ooh, you TP. Not full, right? That's the 50%.
Yeah, I just cut half off. I'm just trailing the rest. So remember when you said or I don't know if it's you, it was somebody is saying like, man, this chart is acting really weird today. Yesterday. There's a number of reasons why that happens. One of the main reasons why I thought is because as it stood yesterday, it was starting to get into a range, a short-term range, and price was just being indecisive and not really knowing where it wants to go. So that's why I assume people thought it was weird, because it was going up, it was going down, it was going up, it was going down. And if you kind of look back on like a 1 hour, of course you could see it's kind of a little rangy.
It's stuck in a higher time frame range.
Right. So part of the because as I said before, I took a long here, and of course I got stopped out around this area, I believe. But what I noticed was that the volume, like the recent volume, was going up around this area here. It was going pretty well. And then as price retraced and came back up, it was a little sluggish and starting to get a little bit harder. It was starting to get a little bit harder to break into new highs, and then starting to range a little bit. So I kind of wanted to see what price wanted to do in that range. So basically all I did was, okay, if that's the case, then it's basically decision time. If it's ranging, I mean that's what price basically does. It ranges, it comes up, it ranges, it comes down, it ranges, it comes up. So all it was is just people just making their bets, still be indecisive, but they're making their bets. And then eventually it become this decision time. So go back on a 30-minute, I believe. Yeah, go back on a 30-minute. So I saw this little wick here, which I thought was interesting. And I did a little supply zone here, which it touched here. And of course, I said I never really use trend lines, but I only use it if I can as confluence. And I noticed I still saw an uptrend here.
Then when it broke, ooh.
Right. So I got stopped out here around this area. It came back up, it came back down. So I was in this area here when I was looking at it. And as it was coming up, I wanted to see it respect some fibs. So I took this from here to here, and it respected the 78.6 the first time. But as I didn't take that trade initially. So what I did was, as it was coming down, I wanted to, if it doesn't break and if it comes up a second time and respect the 78.6, that's when I'll take the trade.
And it did.
And I did.
Nice.
So I was giving myself multiple confirmations. Before I did anything, I noticed that like I said before, the volume was a lot more sluggish than it normally is.
Yeah.
I noticed that, okay, here's the buyers over here. They're doing a heck of a job,
Yeah, but they were losing gas when... So how I saw the buyers losing gas was when this 4 hour yesterday closed lower, I was like, oh no, it's coming down.
Yeah, because I was looking at that and I was like, okay, it's pretty much decision time. It's constantly ranging. Yeah. People are starting to notice that something is, and that usually what happens when GJ or when any chart is, it's going to make a decision. People start to notice things are off with the chart. Things are not what they usually are.
Yeah.
And of course, that's what people noticed yesterday.
Yeah.
And then, of course, as you saw, price was the buyers was having a hard time breaking those highs. They were constantly going up, going back down, going up, going back down, and they just couldn't do it.
Yeah.
So all I really did was I said, okay, if I'm going to sell this, I need to give myself multiple indications, just to give myself confidence. I did the trend lines, I did the supply zone, I did the fibs. And then even when I took the sell, I wanted to make sure it broke that lower trend line, which it did, which gave me more confirmation. And then I don't know if you saw, but as you saw, that 61.8 is right around where I bought it the first time too. That 61.8 TP.
On the 1 hour?
On a 30 minute. Yeah, so if you take a fib here to here, that 61.8 goes right around this area. Yeah, right around that 61.8 right here, going right around this area, right to where I bought the first time.
AKA range.
Yeah. So like I said, it's amazing how price has these magnets where it just wants to go back and forth. It's just interesting,
Yes. I took the sales on the. I was looking at the 5 and the 15 on GJ. But recently, and this week especially, I've been like I can't be patient with the trades for some reason. So I take either 6 or 7 pips, like 80 or 90%, and then I move my stop to BE, and then it goes like into 10 or 11 pips in profit, and then it takes me out, obviously. And now I took 90% at 7 pips, sorry, and now I'm in 12 pips profit. Do you have any advice?
I think go up a time frame. Because you mentioned you were looking at a 5 and 15, right? I think it's the same problem as Kevin. He stayed stuck on the lower time frame and it kept him out of the trade. Just once you... So because from what I remember, you take your first action at 10 pips.
Yeah.
Right? So the moment you enter your trade, manage it one time frame lower only and nothing else. So once you hit your TP, your first TP, lock your stop loss and then just walk away from the chart. Just go off. If you want to go off the Zoom, it's also fine. Just go off. Whatever happens, happens. Because look, you took the trade because you wanted this.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just gotta... And remember the time you took the trade, it was low volume. So if you look at the lower time frame, you're gonna cry.
I know.
Yeah. So just understand the entry timing and the volume situation. Yeah, because that's just gonna test you.
Glad it worked out for you.
Thank you.
Looks like DJ doesn't want to stop. Going at it.
You know, there was one time in like November or December, I think. Then there was a clean move also. Everyone was like, oh, clean candle, sell, sell, sell. And we all kept getting stopped. I don't know if you guys remembered that. There was once that was a clean move. It's the same shit as today. We waited for an entire week and it's like, oh, we broke. Then the moment we sold, it got stopped. Yeah.
You were talking about spreads earlier. My spreads are high. My spreads are like 2 pips.
Oh, are you on a standard account?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Standard accounts start from 2.
Yeah, I know, but then if you choose, what's the other one called?
ECN.
Yeah. Then they take a higher commission from you, don't they?
Yeah. There's standard is sometimes it's 0 com. But no. Yeah, 0 com.
It is
higher spread.
Mine is 0, yeah.
So you got, but if you're taking standard, then you gotta let your trade run out a bit more. Because if not, you will always be closing at like effectively 8 pips. Yeah. And if you only take 50%, 4. Yeah, then you'll be, after a while you'll be wondering, why is my account like growing so slowly? Yeah, so you gotta account for that.
No wonder why.
Yeah, you gotta account for that as well.
Yeah.
Sorry, L, is the ECN just lower spreads or no spreads at all? Or is it just lower spreads with comms?
Lower spreads with com. It has 0 spreads on certain pairs. Like EU sometimes, like for my broker is 0. But it differs from broker to broker. But in general, the idea is ECN is lower spreads, but you have commissions. Standard account is higher spreads, most of the time 0 commissions. So you gotta decide what you want.
So I saw something you said something about you put GA on the list. So are you gonna be trading GA more now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, I see you put more tools in your arsenal.
Yeah, because some of the other students, they look at GA as well constantly on a daily basis, and I don't really want them to feel left out. But it's like,
yeah,
so in the order that I put the pairs, right, it's like GJ is the main, then GA and GU are backups. As you can see, GU is really low on the list.
Yeah, it's funny. Every time I see you put up a GU chart, you look at it, you're like, no.
Yeah. I literally just flick at it. Okay, next.
What's gold doing?
It's like I have an allergic reaction.
Not today.
Yeah, next. I mean, I have taken GU trades, just really rarely.
My wife once lost an account because of GU.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Shit.
Never again.
Man, that really sucks.
Yeah.
Ooh, range.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Nah. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes and see what Telemarota says.
What?
Nah, cause I looked, yeah, he had sent another signal on the thing, but I only got rid of him already. You know the talent guy on the YouTube, Donny was sending signals.
Oh, you wanted to see his signal?
I saw the message that was hidden. I was like, bro, this man's sending signals again.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. It's like
He
relentless.
sent signals. I told him to stop it. He asked for my telegram. Dude cannot get a signal. It's like you go to a bar, you ask a girl, "Hi, can I buy you a drink?" The girl's like, "I already have a drink." And then a drink shows up in my face. I mean, thank you for the drink, but I have my own. Ivan, the left is really messy if you ask me on EU. If you want to sell it. Plus, it's really bullish, isn't it? Yeah, it's really bullish. This could be a retest to continue higher if it holds this area, in my opinion. This whole area here, if it holds, it's gonna continue up, I think. It's already made multiple rejections to this area. So all I'm seeing is rejection, rejection, rejection. It might flip bullish and then continue higher. That's my view, because the overall trend is bullish.
Oh, she's selling it?
Yeah, he wants to sell it here.
Sell it.
Yeah.
You can, just be careful. You're going against a lot.
Yeah. My role is just to point out stuff. Because like GA, maybe I didn't see something. That's why if you guys say something, I want to know what I missed. So that's just my role.
So let me see.
I'll buy above the range. Yes. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, this range is gross, man. I mean, I don't really understand EU, to be honest. I haven't traded it for a few years. But looking at the price action, I don't want to get stuck inside for a few pips. How big is this range? Oh, it's 30. Okay. Yeah, but I wouldn't want to get stuck in this range. So yes, buy outside the range.
Yeah, it depends on the chart the person is trading on.
Yep.
Because again, it was like I was telling with you, it's all about timing. You could buy or sell at any point in time, but if you're gonna go against the grain, then it's all about timing because you're going against the volume that's been with EU. You're going against the volume that hasn't slowed down when you look at it daily.
Yeah.
Recently hasn't slowed down. So if you are going to sell,
be careful.
You got to be, yeah. You just have to be careful because more than likely that sell is just people just taking off people doing the long term, just taking off their profits.
Yeah.
And then it and if just like with hold on, like how you see the volume here and how the buyers just stepped on in and then the sellers started to come in, but it was a little bit more sluggish. Like they just couldn't get through.
And then boom, one more time.
And then boom, one more time. Buyers like, no. So
no.
Yeah, so right.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine. You're good.
I wanted to delete mine. I deleted yours at the same time.
Yeah. So if you do, again, you could.
Here, let me help you. There's a clear all button. There's a dustbin.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, now I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm still trying to learn it. Like I said, it's all about timing. That's all it really is. You can buy or sell anytime. Just if you're gonna do that, just be careful. Because it could possibly just be a higher time frame retrace.
Alexandros, I can tell you why most of the streamers you are seeing trade GJ. Because most of us, at least my story is, I started because I'm all for free education. So everyone should be entitled to an education. Whether whichever part that you're of the world that you're in. And that is what my mentor Raja also does. Right? So a lot of other people, they will charge for a stream. Charge you to watch them take live trades. Why? I don't understand. So that goes against my personal principles. So because a lot of us were trained under him, that's why we have magic keys also. And that's also partly the reason why we trade GJ. And the last reason why I personally trade GJ is because it just has volume. So why not? And if I understand it perfectly, why not? So if you can trade well with 28 pairs, you do you. Everyone can succeed at trading. Yeah, Jimmy, I agree. Last time when I used to trade like a basket of like 20 pairs, I was so tired. I kept having to flick through a long list. Nah. I rather hold out for a better trade, which just moves, so it's a preference. Because I prefer to stay a shorter time on the charts. Bye. Is it true that we can now trade over the weekend with crypto pairs on IC markets? Personally, I prefer to be off the charts over the weekend. I need a break. Personally. It's like we have 5 days. We trade for 5 days straight. Shouldn't you take a break on the weekends? I get allergic to the charts on the weekends.
Hey, look at the likes. Let's go.
Oh man, now I'm negative for the week.
It's fine.
Boo.
There's gonna be a chance. Oh, you lot fucking ruined the likes. Fuck you guys. There's gonna be a chance next week.
Don't give Alexi 69 likes.
Didn't you say you entered like half on this position already anyway?
GA?
Yeah, or was it normal?
Normal size. No, just now Chris was asking would I stack. I said no because I entered the full position. Oh, you mean half my normal size?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. I'm still this whole month I think I'm going half, which is 1% on everything. My normal is 2.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay.
Usually 2 anyway. The market is like it's not really back yet, I feel.
Yeah. I feel like on GA looking at it now.
Yeah, I'm just marking up the things that I missed.
My main issue is that I was just struggling to see the resistance.
Yeah, same. I
Because
struggled also. Yeah.
It passed quite easily, so I was just like, is there really a resistance there? Or like a level there?
Yeah, same. But I think if you go up to the daily, maybe it might have been a bit more obvious. Because technically the previous daily candle did close at that area.
Yeah, that's true as well, actually.
Yeah. But that's all like seeing it in hindsight.
Yeah. Let's see what we have for news today. US retail sales at 130. And then production. Industrial production. Okay.
Right. Thank you, Al. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye, Mesa.
Take
Bye,
care.
Alex. Bye. Bye.
Someone bought GJ. Because RSI says buy. Because RSI sits oversold. Come, I clap for you. RSI is lagging as fuck.
Yeah, that's a lagging indicator. So.
Someone, you remember the previous time? Someone said I was dumb for selling it because the RSI said it was overbought. Oversold. Wait. Yeah. Basically, he was saying that RSI was saying something else. And then, whoop, the trade flipped the other way. Then the person disappeared from the chat. I didn't block him, he disappeared on his own.
He was like, oh, shit.
Remember that time? It was GG, I remember.
Yeah.
Because I took it during the low volume time, so it looked like I was in losses all the way. But price was just ranging. And finally when the volume kicked in, oh, RSI overbought my butt.
RSI overbought your butt?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, oversold my butt. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's what some of these companies sell. It's kind of sad, really. They just say, "Hey, it's like just give us money. We'll give you an account.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is just read this lagging indicator. It'll
Yeah.
tell you what to do."
Exactly.
It's like, sorry, that's not how it goes.
These companies, they really oversimplify trading.
Yeah.
And it's really bad for like anyone new coming in.
Yeah.
Well, they oversimplify it, one, because they want your money.
Yeah.
The simplest way possible. And two, because they know that it's gonna if they want to put in the work, it's gonna take a long time for someone to really understand the market.
Yeah, so throw in an indicator that will give you the signal.
Right.
And the RSI
so,
is the easiest indicator to show, together with
Right.
EMAs.
so it's like, why spend that time really training them on the market when we could just give them this lagging indicator?
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Fucking Chris has changed his Zoom picture to the Stonks meme.
Oh man, that's like my favorite.
Bro, that's my favorite. That's like my favorite meme, bro.
Market Preacher, I've already answered your analyze UJ's
Bro, send a damn
spam.
chart, fam.
I said, number 1, saying please would be nice. Number 2, read the notification on your screen. I'm not your mate. Come on, man. And if you're the preacher, you should be sending me a chart.
Bro, L's patience is hanging by a thread.
Yeah, do not test me.
It's hanging by a thread. This lady's about to blow up on people in the group chat, bro.
Yeah, the level of the you know, like a chart on Friday. Oh, my patience get tested the most on Friday, because people want to chase losses on Friday. They need to cover, so the desperation is real on Friday. No, it's not real. It's more real on Friday. It's real every day. It's more real on Friday.
Just end up chasing losses and getting hit even harder. Like, damn.
No worries. Watch me leverage all my losses.
Yeah.
On a sell.
I'm gonna put my entire account on this trade. Use the entire account. Alright, bro.
This one trade will determine if my child goes to college or not.
Jesus. I'd be like, no, Chris, don't be a hero.
Look, this is the way.
Yeah, man.
Fucking Mandalorian.
I never watched Star Wars, but the memes that show up are everywhere. It's impossible to just like.
I still need to watch season 2, but I haven't been asked.
Anyone here into stocks?
Stocks.
Stonks.
Stocks.
The Stokes.
Stocks. Yeah.
STOKES. Aren't they a band?
Yeah, like stocks like Tesla, Apple, Amazon.
Oh,
all
stocks.
Stocks, bro.
Yeah. Didn't I say stocks?
No, I
Yeah,
thought he was
he
talking
did.
about
Yeah.
the band because
Oh, it's the
yeah, I can't see the DP. I can't see the display pic.
Yeah, I
Wait.
do.
Oh no, mind, carry on first, Vontae. I'm gonna ask a stupid
You're
question
doing
and they're gonna
stocks.
roast me.
Uh,
Friday is roast L day.
okay, I was like, what is going on right now?
Really, trust me, I'm about to get roasted when I ask these questions.
Man, she coming in the Friday being like, I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level. I'm on a. But no, I do trade some stocks. Not as much as I used to, but I do trade some.
I'm a bit annoyed because I have a friend at work who's only trading stocks, and his account went up by like half of what he started off with. I was like, oh man.
No, but the thing
annoyed.
is, every
don't-
person that traded in 2020 made money.
Yeah.
If you
they
think about it
showed
logically, as
or-
long as you help through all the minor bullshit, you made money. Because
He only-
everyone was hopping onto the train.
he only recently started somewhere around, let's say, November, October, something like that. So he didn't start like early to 2020. And yeah.
I don't know. It kind of depends because I've seen people who are like constantly buy Tesla stock and then call themselves a genius. So I mean, it's like, all right, whatever.
They just be like, oh, big candle, and then you buy.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, all right.
Yeah. What do they want to clap?
Speaking of bandwagon, let me look at gold real quick. I'm not gold, I'm Bitcoin.
No, Andy, we do not use WeChat. That's disgusting. WeChat
what?
is for dodgy things. No, Green Gambit on YouTube asks, is WhatsApp popular in Singapore or Telegram? I think WhatsApp is more popular.
WeChat is for the Siambu.
Yeah, WeChat is for dodgy things, yo.
For that what? What dodgy things? I'm trying to get involved.
Bro, you won't understand the dodgy things. It's all in Mandarin.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Siambu.
That's what I have L for.
For dodgy
Can you
things?
not read?
Hey,
No,
hey,
bruh.
clarify that statement, yo.
What you trying to say, bruh?
Bruh. Bruh.
Bruh.
Where's the audio of that?
Mandarin, bro. Whoa.
Bruh.
Okay, I'm gonna ask my question. I keep seeing people say this. What the hell is this?
That's a meme.
Why?
Wait, say, oh, stonks. Yeah, it's a meme.
Why?
That's
Because
Could someone not pronounce stocks?
they could, but
you know, I really can't tell you why it's a meme. I'm not gonna lie
Yeah.
to you. Now that I think about it, I can't tell you why it's a meme.
Oh, okay,
You
I'm not
know-
gonna get roasted for this then. Very good.
Yeah, normal,
Yay.
a normal
The thing
person
is-
would think that.
The thing is about memes, yeah, they're fucking random. Like literally anything can be a meme.
Hey, Chris thing is a meme.
Yeah, that's the stocks meme.
Oh, it's an intentional misspelling. Why?
Yes.
Why would? Oh,
Because
so
meme.
so is it that if you spell something wrongly now it's cool?
No, it's
No,
meme.
no, it's like, you know, Spider-Man or Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's
god.
another one.
Yeah, this is the kind of memes they're doing right now.
It's
Oh,
hum-
wow.
Oh,
It's stupid.
I see a cursed meme.
My caption was like, buy without stop loss.
Money printer go.
Prof.
This thing is
Oh.
ugly, man.
Or do you know what's a Doge? A Doge.
The
What
dog.
hell?
The
No, it's a
Yeah.
doggo. A
Doggo?
Doge is a doggo.
Is a
It's
Doge.
a,
Bro, you
it's a form
know.
of doggo.
Wait, let me find it.
Doggo.
Let me find Dogecoin. Yeah, here it is.
Yeah, there's a Doge.
Type in Dogecoin on.
Don't make me
TradingView.
pull up anything nasty. I'm on YouTube.
It's not anything nasty. It's DOGE.
I need to check first because Andy made me pull up something nasty before.
Bro, type on TradingView.
Oh, TradingView. Relax, yo. Are you having a period?
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Dogecoin.
cry.
wait.
What the heck?
What the hell is a Dogecoin? This is Doge as fuck.
It sounds dodgy.
made-
as
It's
fuck.
Doji as fuck.
They made a crypto for the flipping Doge meme.
Wow.
I was like, why? But then I was like, no, let me not ask why.
I feel like there's some shady things going on there. I mean, look at how high that went, and then, right?
Motherfuckers turned the meme into a crypto. Like, what?
Wow. Why? Isn't
I don't
Doge
know.
a car? No, it's not.
No, it's a
That's
dog.
Dodge.
It's a dog.
No, you know what they should do? They should make the coin look like a dog.
Yeah, it does. If you search the icon on images, I'm pretty
No,
sure.
like the
it's-
chart look like a dog.
Oh.
Wow, I will give it up. I will give it to them. See, if they can make the chart look like a dog, props. 2 thumbs up.
Roger Bangs uses WeChat for personal services with Thai ladies and China ladies and Vietnam ladies and Myanmar ladies.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, I said like a really good meme
I see
on
the dodgy
on-
stuff now.
Chris, what?
I said like a nice meme on the Slack meme and banter, but now I can't see it because it was last month.
Oh,
Unless I upgrade my thing.
Wait, Slack has a meme?
Meme
Channel?
and banter, yeah.
yeah, it does. Bro,
Bro, I haven't been on the Slack in a minute.
bro, the thing was there from the very first day.
That's the first thing I studied.
Bro, I've been a
before I got
month
into
really
trading.
since like last year, fucking July, and I've never been on that channel. I think I don't see it.
Is there, but maybe it was last month, and if you don't have like a pro version of Slack or whatever, you can see previous. I'm actually gonna see if I have it in my recycling bin.
Oh no, I've joined the channel now.
Oh my god, Kasim's meme is damn funny.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Wait, Kasim?
Go see the high reset that one. Bro, you're really slow. It's
No, I see it.
literally the second one.
Me, hi. Oh, yeah, I see it.
High reset up. Lol.
And then you have everyone in the gulag staring right at it.
No, I didn't open it on my screen, yo. Are you insane?
I know. That's why I'm saying staring right at it. Not on your screen, you baboon.
Huh?
they're staring at a high risk up in their face. It's like, it was enticing. I'm gonna take it.
It's
Dumbass.
also a sell with pin bar created at resistance, but oh, you want to buy this? But you just said sell. I'm confused.
Talking about on gold.
I think Raphael is saying if it break. Okay, I'm guessing now because the comments don't. They're opposite. I'm guessing you're waiting for a break and retest of the trend line. If yes, then yeah, should be the correct idea. Yeah, but the thing about gold is, my 2 cents, is on the recent price action, right? Just for this week, I already see price making lower highs as well. So right now it's popping up above. So my range might not be that big, but I need it to break this recent resistance so I can go to this next area here. Yeah, because overall on the higher time frame, let's say the daily, this area here, price has been pulling back really hard on the daily. Whatever, you can call it a flag or whatever, but I feel like it's doing a retracement to continue up.
Yeah, I do agree with you. It's
Looks like a
still in
flag,
that,
right?
yeah, it's still in that range.
Look at this. It's still holding. It held 78.6, now it's holding 61 on the daily. Yeah. Interesting. Save this. GMT 4 AM? No, I start at 8 AM. Hey Mario. Let me see. Riza, the timings are all in the YouTube chat, in the YouTube description. Convert accordingly.
Alright, good night, guys.
Oh damn, Kevin, you're still here. I thought you went to sleep already. You just finished journaling.
Yeah, I was doing some other stuff.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Good night, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good day.
It's the Wicks Don't Lie waiting room time.
Roger's been doing bad call outs on DJ lately.
He's been what?
Doing bad call outs on DJ.
Nah, it's not really his fault though, because he's trading how
I
he
know,
normally does. But it's just that GJ has been really nasty in New York. Nasty, nasty.
Yeah, when GJ goes, it goes.
Yeah.
It goes hard, hard in the paint. Lexi, you said you were gonna do a trade?
No.
I thought you said you were talking about maybe doing a trade or something like that.
No.
Oh wait, just now you said you put that guy's signal up, right?
No.
Oh man, I wanted to see if he hit stop loss.
Wait, let me look. I know the message got hidden, but it still lets me see it.
Yeah.
Oh damn, I think this is a bit far back.
Yeah.
He said buy limit at one. Wait, let me message it to you. I don't want to say it on the stream, and then someone just comes
Someone
in,
will take
and,
it.
and then they're just there like, let me take this.
Yeah. Wow, look at GA, is playing with my feelings.
Oh man.
It came right into my support.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, it's okay. I'm not gonna go attack it again because GA, I don't 100% understand it as well as GG. So I'm gonna touch and look at Go later with you guys.
I need to go make food, but I can't be asked. Maybe I just starve to death.
Wow.
Not before placing a sell.
I took a loss on this paper trade. You know me, if I don't take a win, I can't eat.
You haven't earned the food. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah. Huh? He said buy limit here. Are you insane, bruh?
Where?
Bruh?
I limit where?
Yeah. Come, let's analyze.
This isn't a trade, by the way, guys. This isn't a trade. Don't take it in the YouTube or wherever. This ain't a trade.
Taking it now.
Oh, you say I'm not taking it? It's like, are you daring me?
Wow, what the hell, man? 208. Yeah, call a signal with no stop loss or TP. You'll definitely hit something, right? It's either your account blows up or you hit profits.
You'll hit rock bottom on your account.
See, it's like gambling to see which one happens first. Wow, what a smart signal. I know how to do that too. Come, everyone. Buy every single pair on the list. See, test your luck today.
Just put a buy, put sell for every single pair on the list. Yeah, man. Golden strategy.
Golden. It's the Martinez 50-50 strategy.
Oh yeah, what's that the strategy that you're talking about that's gonna make us all millionaires?
Yeah. 50-50.
Yeah, I remember that. I love this. I love that strategy, man.
50-50. You'll pass all FTMO, funding talent, whatever challenge you throw at it, you'll pass. Pass with flying colors.
This previous 30-minute on GJ closed with no top wick and also closed above the most recent 30-minute support. Yeah, GJ just chilling right now. Gotta wait some more.
Pips don't lie. Pips don't lie is an actual mentor, by the way. I've learned from him before.
Is he linked to Roger in any way, or did he just copy like?
I think he kind of copied part of his name, but he trades a different thing.
I'm gonna make a new one called Candle Closes Don't Lie.
Patience don't lie. Oh, this is Scorpio Kid. You changed your name. How come your upper fib says 76.4?
So hooked on this game. Every time I log into it, I start a new save.
What game you playing?
State of Decay 2.
Man, I haven't played that game in a while.
Did you play the first one or the second one?
I played both. I think the first one was better.
I haven't played the first one. I only got in on the second. Looks like.
Yeah, Mario. I use Notion to journal the trades. So I've kind of tweaked my journal a little. It's a lot more in depth now, but the general idea is that I do this every single day on every single trade, whether it's taken, missed, or lost. So I will paste before, during, and after charts. So I always save like my entire thought process of why I took the trade. So which is why just now I was taking various screenshots of the other time frames because I missed looking at something and then I took a loss. So yeah, if you want to take I'll send the link in the YouTube chat. If you want, the journal is free to use. Just make a copy of it. This program is also free to use. So yeah, that's how I journal.
Hey Ellie, how's it going?
Hey, what's up, Ashton? Long time no
Long
here.
time. I'm so confused with GJ. Do you think that's a faker? Like it looks like clean candles on the left there on the higher time frame, right? So we should just be coming down. But
Yeah.
the fact that it just rejected randomly at such a weird point.
No, it's not random.
Is it not?
No.
What did you you're using Fibonacci? Or
Yeah, I've implemented it into my trading.
oh wow, okay.
It's not random to me. So
Okay.
you understand order blocks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a reaction to the 4-hour order block.
Okay, wow.
To a T.
That's great.
Yeah. So that's why like when everyone was looking at this big candle, retail traders would be like, yes, I'm gonna sell the shit out of this all the way down. But no, this area here, the pin here would have stopped you, I think.
Jeez,
yeah. But I do think if this makes a new resistance, then yes, cleared the block and it's coming down. Because there's still some more imbalance below that hasn't been filled yet, which is also going to meet my 38 fib on the higher time frame.
fair enough, that makes sense.
Yeah.
When did you start introducing Fibonacci? What made you do that?
I actually always used it, but I mostly used it on the 4-hour. Then after that, because I wanted to get my entries a bit tighter, and I wanted to enter on the 5 so that it could be tighter and earlier, right? That's when I introduced my fibs back again. Yeah.
That's crazy how it's played out to the like literally to the T, isn't it? With
Yeah.
that order block you had drawn.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks, Ellie.
Of course. I don't use the order blocks for entries though. I use them for management. Yeah, so
Yeah, that makes sense.
yeah, because I found like when I tried to use them for entries, I missed. But when I use them for management, then I get a bit better with the win rate. Whoa, Ivan, I don't know anything about gold at all, man. About oil. Vonte, do you know anything?
Isn't that the stuff you put on food?
Wait, so what?
Do you know anything about US oil? I don't know. I don't understand its movements. So
What do you want to know?
this person is looking to buy general uptrend. Let's see.
He's looking to buy.
Yeah. Oh, it's really high.
Hold on a second, because I trade it sometimes, but
When I first started trading, I was trading oil. Well, I looked at the chart, it was like crashing, but proper crashing. It was like negative values. And I thought to myself, oh, well, this is a great time to buy, isn't it? When it's buy low, sell high, that kind of stuff. Oh,
dude,
man.
dude, you think gold is an animal? Try oil. Oil is an animal of its own, man.
Yeah.
And back then I didn't know that.
I
I just looked at the charts like, oh, this seems like a good investment. Yeah, probably.
I mean, just based on price action, it makes sense because it's at some kind of support on the 4-hour. But I don't really understand oil, so I don't know if this is a big range or not.
Hang on a second. I haven't traded oil in a while. You say did he already buy? Or is he looking to buy?
He's looking to buy, I think, this one.
In that purple area?
Yeah, this one here. Yes.
Yeah, because it's recently gone a little bit parabolic, and that's kind of in a little bit of a range. It's sold off a bit. You should go down to the 15. It's sold off a bit. If you are gonna buy there, I would do it small. I mean, I'm not charting it out right now, but because it has that double top.
I saw that it was so distinct.
That's usually one of the indicators that it might be a retracement. I'm not saying because I haven't charted this out at all, but that could be one indicator that might be retracing. So if you do buy, I'd probably just do like a small lot just to see where it goes from there. And then if it does start to go up from there, as it's going up, you can add on to it.
Yeah. I think he had his stops quite wide also. It looks something like this. Stops below this structure. I mean, it makes sense. It's just that it could go inside this area for quite a while, I feel.
Yeah, I mean the problem with oil is oil likes to do this thing where it just it knows that people's stops are under the structure, so it'll just take that structure stop loss out and just bounce right back up. Gold sometimes does that well too, just because of the sheer volume of orders. But yeah, I mean, I don't say anything wrong. I mean, on the 4 hour, it's been on a tear. The only thing that's worried me is that double top. So
Wow, GA is playing.
Oh.
Wow, shit! I missed this. Oh wells.
Oh man, is that like a retracement to the entry point you tried earlier today?
Exactly. I was already waiting for it to test. I was like, oh man, it's gonna hit my stop before it tests. Crap. Yeah, I couldn't expand my stop loss to below this area, but I should have though, because it was the most recent. It was the previous structure on 1 hour. Point to note. Yes, Savannah, I got it from Phantom Trading also. I took a course with them before. Let me see. Phantom Trading. Yeah, Phantom Trading. Let me. This one. I took their course before. Last time.
I was trading oil when it crashed back in April. Yeah. That's
horrid.
Yeah, it's again, oil's just one of those animals, man. You don't. When it's good, it's good. But when it's bad, it's bad.
Bye
really,
bye account.
really bad. It's just bad. just say that. It's
Someone
just bad.
said the swaps were really expensive too.
Yes, it is. You got to put a more capital.
Structure is bearish candle. Previous 30 had no wick to fill into a 5-minute. Okay.
I've been trading for 10 years now.
Whoa, that's sick. Are you just like trading by yourself or for a company, or doing it as a part-time job?
Right now I'm doing it for myself. At some point in time, I want to try to get some investors in and start a company, but just for right now, I'm just doing it for myself.
Once you start trading other people's money, it's a whole different ballgame.
Yeah, it's yeah. I mean, I had a a call with a couple investors, and the thing is too, you have to. The problem is you have to give investors a reason to want to invest with you, because you basically have to, you know, you have to
give them reassurance that you're not gonna lose all
yeah.
their money, pretty much.
Well, not just that. You can't be the norm, you know, because it's like they the people who are investing in you have seen it all. They've seen everything from the highs to the lows. So you have to get them excited to invest with you, you know what I mean? Like I had this one call where you know, I was showing him how I trade, you know, what I trade, and he, you know, he looked at me, he's like, "Okay, that's all well and good, but like, you know, you don't really have a business." And I was like, "Well, what do you mean?" It's like, "Well, everybody that trades can, you know, do all this basic stuff, but like you don't really have much of a business." And I'm slowly starting to figure out what that means. So I think if just keep on learning the markets and learning the business, you know, that. But yeah, it's a whole different ball game when you got people investing for you, because again, it's not your money, it's other people's money. And the moment they don't trust you anymore, that's it. You're done.
I will take all my here, and I'll see you later. Pretty much.
Wait, say that again.
They will just take all their money out, and yeah.
Yeah. They'll just take it out, man.
Yeah, Nicholas. So like I said, I cannot tell you what to do because I don't understand your trading plan. But if you already secured partials at 20, and if you're at BE and you're worried about this stopping you at break even, the only thing I can say is there, are you okay with it stopping at break even? Is there a legit reason for you to close the trade? I cannot tell anyone where or when to close the trade. You guys should need to know that yourself. I can only tell you for levels to avoid. Because for me, right now, what I'm seeing is price. This is a previous resistance. Previous support on the 1 hour that held, right? So now price is back there and it's forming resistance. So that's all I can say. The decision is yours whether you want to cut it or not. Proti, are you still in GA? Where was your stop?
Huh? What?
I'm asking someone on YouTube.
No, I'm not regulated now, but I am studying for them though.
I'm looking for at the trading just to have like a monthly supplement to my normal wage salary. But damn, man, it's not easy.
Yeah, the 56 is one of them. There's a couple that I want to do. But yes, 56 is one of them. I just want to be as prepared as I can, because again, the people who are investing, they've seen it all, man. These people are intense.
Yeah, they're giving you so much money. They have a right to be intense.
I think they need 110% insurance that they're gonna have a return on their investment.
Oh, cool.
Oh, you're trading GU, not G. Yeah, see, I didn't even know what you were trading. How can I tell you whether to cut it or not? That would be highly irresponsible. Thank God I didn't say anything. Nicholas, the info was not given in full. That would have been a dangerous reply. Yeah, if you mark up a chart, I can help you have a look. Oh my god, that kid sneezed really loudly. Achoo!
Oh yeah, why is that? If you don't mind me asking.
What?
Sorry, I was Angela.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not the. It's not the first time I've heard that, but.
Seven, 5, 9, 3. Wow, good trade, man.
Right, who, what?
No, someone entered GA based on a different analysis, but yeah, good holding in. Yeah, man, the finance industry, ooh, ethics is a very grey area.
Yeah.
It's freaking grey. It's like I left my firm also because of an ethics issue. Not me. Morals issue, I guess, not ethics.
And it changes so much. So many rules.
Yeah, Astro Creep, I like it because it's tying in line with my higher time frame zone. Zoop. It's sitting right in my golden zone now. It's just that I have no volume, I don't want to touch it.
Oh man, that thing's popping.
Where? GA?
Yeah.
Don't remind me, man.
Remind you, you're looking at it.
Don't rub it in. I can look at it in silence and simmer. Yeah. Just GA has deeper pullbacks than I expected. But the thing is, the level that you talked about, I'm still aware of it. So I know that my range now is not 76.9. It might be just to fill the candle first.
Yeah, like I said, you can still do it. It's just timing.
Yeah, exactly. And I think I missed the time, the entry.
Yeah, it's just all timing. That's all it really is.
Yeah. The perfect entry would have been yesterday. This one. I think anything after that is risky. Because it's stuck in at a higher time frame area. Where's Ashton? Ashton, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm watching this.
Watching GJ.
Yeah, I was gonna tell
I'm
you.
like, ah!
Yeah, if this 15 closes like this, right, it could then fill the rest of the imbalance that I told you about.
Do
Strong.
you reckon, eh?
Yeah.
5 minutes down. Let's wait and see. I've been looking at gold and just waiting for it to tap 1860 again, and I'll short it. You see how it keeps getting up to like 1857,
Yeah.
1858.
I want to buy it up to your level though.
Oh, okay, yeah. But at
Yeah.
what point would you take an entry? Because right now it's kind of like,
So far I have not entered gold on the 5 minute. I always use the 1. So later when I come towards the North American Open, I will make my first watch to see whether the hour can just close above. If it closes above, I'll take it for this quick move up.
fair enough, yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. I don't want to do bars at all. I just want to wait for the sell.
Yeah. But honestly, you're right. Because the buys are also wicked. Literally, they are wicked.
Yeah.
Look, it's all wicks. So I understand where it is also. Sells, waiting for the sales is definitely safer.
You know, the last 2 days I've been trading towards the evening, and it's been really good. But then suddenly at 10 o'clock on RC markets, you get massive slippage on your stop loss.
Oh.
And it does the weirdest sparks I've ever seen. So
that's the crossover
like nothing
of day, right?
Yeah, I honestly think it's the most rigged thing going, because I look on TradingView and there's no spike, but on RC markets it hits like a 30 pip stop loss, or it opens up without having hit my stop loss, and then I lost. Yeah.
Around that time they widen up the spreads.
Yeah, they do, and it's crazy because I'm trading on like one or two lots, and suddenly the market opens and it hasn't hit my stop loss, and it hits my stop loss like 10 pips higher than it was, or 20 pips, and I'm like, oh. But yeah, just a lesson learned. Don't trade around that time.
That's why, like, if you've watched like a couple of the videos that say that FTMO doesn't pay, they always have issues at that time, and then they think that the broker is rigged against them. But it's not. It's just spreads widen at the changeover of day. It's a common phenomenon.
There's a good question in the chat about how trading US 30 differs from currency pairs, because that's obviously the equities market versus Forex. So I don't know if you have anything to add on that, Ellie, but
I don't even touch indices.
Fair
you
enough.
mean stocks?
Yeah, well, the US 30, it's that's just your equities market in general. But like, obviously, currencies are safe havens like the US dollar, Japanese yen, and then the equity market's the opposite. So if people have confidence in the markets, they'll put money into the equities, whereas if they don't, when that's crashing, you'll see it go into the safe havens.
Yeah, it's just...
so they kind of inverse, but it's there's so many things impacting the US 30 compared to just GJ on its own, for instance.
Yeah, see, a few people are just saying that they removed their stop loss on IC at that time. Yeah, but the risk is if it opens way lower than oh. So have you been swinging your trades, Ashton?
Hey, sorry. No, like literally, I got stopped out 2 nights in a row and lost so much money. So I'm kind of sitting on my hands today. This week has hurt a little bit.
Yeah, it's okay. You just need to get used to the new timing.
Correct. Yeah, exactly. All right, I'm gonna pop off. Ellie, I'll chat to you later.
Okay,
Bye.
see you. Lexi, are you cooking? GJ looks like it might be an entry.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Form the strong bearish resistance at the 1 hour support. Push down, pull back nicely. It's gonna close strong bearish within the golden zone also. Oh, Holy Prophet, yeah, he used to be on my stream too. His whole stream is in silence. Do I have a group chat? Yes, I have a Discord. But if you find it, you find it. If you find it, welcome in. If you can't find it, try harder. Rite of passage.
just so you show what you really want to get in.
Yeah. Yeah, he was in my stream. I remember his sign is like a person praying in white. Yep, I took the trade. Short. Come on, let me make my GA money back. Let's go.
You entered it on the.
Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Right before I
I'm
entered.
waiting for the 1 hour.
Yeah, but the
Let's see
volume
if it's
is.
going.
Yeah.
But you entered just now?
Yeah, I took it when. Hang on. I took it when it broke the wick low. Because it made a tiny wick up, so I wanted to be certain that it could break.
Yeah, because
isn't there like some small support that's being formed over there?
This, you're talking about this one, right?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, but that was price. So okay, this one is back to my conversation with Ashton just now. So the way I read it, okay, so I'm using a couple of different strategies, I would say, to understand this behavior. So for me, this big candle here, it basically it was orders that were left. So price filled halfway, it still has another half more to fill. So that's why I'm not really super worried about it.
Okay.
Yeah, but if this so on the 15-minute, what I saw was this area. This was the latest swing down which broke my 1 hour zone, and then when it came back, this first indication was this one not having a top wick. The next one closed bearish, and then it held. The next one didn't break the previous high, so it held. So when this thing closed strong bearish at time of volume, I took it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm anticipating the volume to break it.
So how many pips is your take profit on this trade?
23.
Wow. And you're not going to cut
At
any point? At what point will you take the first?
Let me see. I'll secure some at 141 to 50.
Is that up to 10 pips?
Sorry?
Will that be up to 10 pips?
Way more
That's
than 10
probably
pips.
higher than 10 pips.
Yeah,
Yeah.
more than that.
You're bold.
No, it's not. It's just there's a clean candle on the left. And do you hear how I explained the entry? Oh. Janet, do you hear how I explained why I took the entry?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was why.
Okay, let's see.
Someone helped heavy drawdown. I don't know whether that's a good thing. It's not a badge of honor, man, to hold a drawdown. GJ testing resistance, waiting for 1 hour close bearish, expecting enough volume to break the recent support and go to the next day level. Yes, valid. It's valid. The only problem now that I have, which is why my stop loss is fairly wide, is also because of volume. Yeah, same entry. First, I draw my fibs from, sorry Keom, I missed it, Usually when price breaks a zone, right? So you can see my gray area here. When it breaks a zone, I just draw it from the swing high to the swing low because I'm looking for basically Phipps measure retracement. So when price breaks a zone, it will retrace. So that's what I use the Phipps for. First hour pullback on new 4-hour candle. Yeah. If this 4-hour flips bearish, ho ho ho, we're going down.
How long is? Oh, in 30 minutes.
Hmm?
The 4-hour candle closes in.
No, it already closed. This is a new 4-hour candle.
Oh.
The 4-hour candle retested its. Hang on, my Phipps are in the way. The 4-hour candle, look, the new one that formed, retested to its previous support that it broke.
Okay.
Yeah, so if it flips bearish, ooh, that's good. The shorts should continue down. Yeah, but if you are entering on the 1 hour, right? If this 1 hour candle can close below its own recent support, then you have your move down already. Hopefully it doesn't
It's
close
about if
too
you
big.
want to get in early on that or not.
Yes, correct. It's
Without
about timing.
confirmation.
Yeah. Because mine was a 15-minute, so we all know that 15 is weaker, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So it's a choice. Have I switched to more ICT based trading? Nope. I just use it for management, for levels to watch out for. Monthly resistance. Oh. The monthly is also making lower highs. So looks interesting.
That 50-minute looks like what's closed bullish.
Nice ranging. Low volume. Entering at the break of the low of the 30-minute doji be a good entry since it's rejecting the golden zone. To be honest, this bearish candle, if it closes more than half of the bullish one, maybe. Yes, but just be really patient with it. And I think your stop is going to be quite big. So is your risk reward still okay? Till 141, 200?
Yeah, I'm still trailing my the rest of my trade right now. So I'm trying to see if it can break this 141.38 level.
141.
Yeah, so
38.
if you 38. So if you look to the left and go out a bit.
Based on what time frame again?
I'm on the 30-minute. I mean, you have it right. It's I don't know. Right there. Yeah, so that's where the buyer stepped in at that time. So
yeah, I drew it up just now. So
and clear button.
oh, you're learning.
Ha ha ha. Not bad, Zoom. Not bad.
No thanks, I'm only just in. Wow, if Kevin was in this, he'll be in mad profits. Damn, man. I thank God he went to sleep. He'll be very upset if you are still watching this.
Kevin was here right now, he'd be mad.
Yeah, man. He would be very mad. Anyway, guys, Raja's on. I'm going to end the stream.
All right, thanks for the stream.
Farewell, farewell.
Thanks. I'll see everyone next week. Have a
See
good weekend
you.
as well.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, it's just interesting. That's all. It's interesting how this is going.
Yeah. I don't really understand this chart, Ivan. Yeah, but I think we all entered on that retracement area that is holding. Unfortunately, he's not. Doesn't seem like he's holding very well. He's gonna poke at it again. Bloody hell. Well, if I take another loss today, I'm done. I'm done for today. It's just not my day today. Yep, GA went back. It just did a deeper retracement up. So, I'm making a mental note that I need to place my stop loss below the freaking 78 feet. Oh my god. I placed it here. I was asking to get stopped. That was stupid. I placed it here. No, not even here. Oh my god, no. Wait, let me see. Oh man, I placed it in the golden zone. Oh, L is stupid. Shit. Yeah, I placed it in the golden zone. I was asking to get stopped.
I mean, but you said it was a new a chart that you don't usually do. So I mean, you know.
Yeah. I knew it would make deeper retracements, but I think because at the time of entry, right, there were a few things that I was considering. Like it was at London Open, which should have volume. That's why I thought I would just whoop go straight into profit after that. So I was aggressive with the stop loss.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, I think that was it. It's the volume. Okay, I shall make that note. Sir Charleston, search on YouTube. Wicks don't lie. Right. Bye bye YouTube.